8 p.m. in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where police respond to a suspected drunk driving crash that has left one person fighting for their life.
Hey, is anybody in here? Where are the people? There's nobody in that car. Who was in that car? You two were in that car?
He's still in that car.
Are you okay?
He's not okay.
He's not okay.
He is not okay.
And I have a...
What's going on?
He's struggling to breathe. Well,
He's struggling to
Okay,
breathe.
why don't you sit down here real quick, okay? You're struggling to breathe?
I got some pain right here.
Okay. You have any? What happened?
I don't know.
Who was driving?
Me.
You were driving? Okay. What all happened here?
I don't know. I crossed the intersection.
Hey, you want to get a rescue over here as well? He's having trouble breathing. So you were driving?
Nope.
I was driving.
Nope.
Yes.
Don't say anything more than that.
I was driving.
Yeah, you're driving.
Okay.
I have some pain right here on the
I
ribs.
need to make
Okay.
sure this guy's okay.
You don't. You need to stay over here.
Police identify the suspect seen here as 51-year-old Rebecca Solomon, a now former elementary school associate principal, and her husband, who says he was her passenger at the time of the crash.
They're taking care of him.
What's going on? Just stay here. I get it.
Just pain right here.
Okay,
Coming
okay.
home, Dad.
Yep. I will help you find your phone.
Don't say. I don't know what's.
Let's just get your husband taken care
I
of.
just want you to be okay, and I want him to be okay.
Well, you can't do anything about that. He's in really good hands right now.
Where were you guys coming from?
We were coming from that direction.
I need.
What do you need?
I just need to walk. I need to breathe.
Okay, well, you need to stay here. I need you to stay here, okay?
You
You can't breathe. You can't
tell me.
breathe.
You can breathe if you're standing. I need you to stay here.
You
All
can't
right.
tell me not to
There's
breathe.
something's wrong.
Okay, I understand that. We're working on him first, okay?
Yeah. I don't need. Let me breathe for a minute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, is he okay?
We don't know right now.
Oh my
So,
gosh.
what happened? Where were you coming from?
I was coming from that
You were
direction.
coming. Enough out of you.
Yeah.
So.
Enough out of you. Do you want to knock it off? Knock it off.
He's okay.
Stop. Back up. Stay back. Knock it off. What is going on?
I haven't done anything. I just got in a car wreck.
I came from Lucky Shot.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
You're done. Cut it out.
He's hurt. He's hurt.
I didn't do anything.
He's
I was
hurt.
in
He
a
can't
car
breathe.
wreck.
He can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
I'm the one.
469, we have one detained.
I drove.
Come back here.
Why are you guys?
I'm gonna get
Stay right here.
out of here.
Okay. What's going on?
I came from that direction.
Okay.
From Lucky
You stop at the
Shot.
stop sign?
I did stop at the stop sign. And
So
then
what
I
happened?
Came through, and the car ran into me. And that's the thing.
So he was going. So
He
you were.
was coming this way. I was coming this way.
Okay.
I stopped at the stop sign. He came this way. And
So where?
And that's my car.
Okay.
But
How much have you had to drink today?
I had a few drinks at Lucky Shots.
Okay. And you were driving?
Yeah, I was driving.
Okay.
I want to make sure that guy is okay.
We don't
My
know if
hus-
he's okay.
I know, and that's my biggest concern.
Okay.
My husband also can't breathe.
Okay. Yeah, they're going to be checking. They're going to be checking him out in a minute.
I just want he can't.
Were you? When did you get here?
Right after it happened.
Who was in the driver's seat of that car?
Don't know. They were both there. I went to that car first. I did not see them get out of that car. I understand your question, but I saw that guy slouched over, and I was there first.
I'm trying to figure out what happened with this investigation, and you were starting to square up on me. That's what's going on. I need to know what happened so we can figure out what's going on here tonight. I don't need you squaring up on me when I'm doing a crash investigation. Do you understand? That's all I'm going to say to you right now.
Investigators said Rebecca allegedly failed to yield at an intersection, causing the crash that left the other driver, identified as Dave Cornea, hospitalized for 5 days before he reportedly passed away.
So now he's saying, the woman's saying she was driving that car, and this is the guy that's a passenger, her husband.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
I was being responsible.
She's,
She might be 5'5".
yeah.
She didn't drink much.
I'm going to get some pics real quick of everything. So,
This is,
that's him. Okay. Did you this way, going eastbound? She said she stopped and made it through the intersection, and in the middle of the intersection is when this car going south T-boned her in the intersection. But I'm not sure where impact happened.
yeah, I don't know where it happened. It had to be right in the middle.
But I was trying to, Sarge,
Yeah.
I was trying to talk to her about what happened, and he started to square up on me and said, don't say anything, don't say anything. And that's when he like cocked his fist back a little bit, and I was like, no, we're not playing this.
I don't understand why I'm arrested.
He had a 32 on?
Yes. Yeah. Finley pulled it off him.
Okay.
He said he's got a CCW, but he's got it too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here, but
So she's the one driving it.
yeah. Careful, thank you. Okay. So you said you were coming from Lucky Shots.
Yeah.
Okay. You were coming eastbound on Rusco
Yeah.
here.
I'm sorry, I don't know if it's eastbound.
Yep,
but
that way eastbound.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you stop at the intersection?
I did.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay. Stop at the intersection. You started going through,
Yeah.
and then he hit. Where about in the intersection did he hit you?
Like right dead center.
Okay.
And that's when I ran right into
Trying to find out more.
the side.
Okay.
Hey, can you guys stop sleeping?
Guys, hold on.
Yeah, we might need a. Okay.
Because
So.
my dog is sick.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
I've had a couple of drinks.
Okay. What is
I've
it?
had a few drinks.
Okay.
I've had
What's a few? It's
I've
different
had
for everybody.
3 drinks. I've had 3 drinks.
3 drinks.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of drinks? Beers,
A
wine.
margarita.
3 margaritas.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kept pouring like soda water.
And
in
we're
my drinks.
sticking with the story you were driving.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I
You
was
100%
driving.
were driving.
I was 100% driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was 100% driving. My husband Adam, he can't breathe.
I know. They
Like,
have.
right immediately he said he wasn't able to breathe, and then that guy wasn't breathing.
Okay. Yep. Okay. So.
I kept pouring soda water in my drink.
Okay.
So I
Yep.
had drinks, but I kept pouring water in my drink. My dog's also sick. If I can call my parents so they can go to my house to get my dog.
We'll be able to deal with that in a minute. We have a couple other things we need to deal with first, though. Okay.
Yeah.
You think it needs to be reconned?
I'm the one that was driving.
Rebecca admits to having at least 3 margaritas at a bar before the crash. Next, officers decide to put her through field sobriety tests. Let's see how she does.
So because you had some stuff to drink tonight, okay, you kind of slurring your words a little bit, your eyes are a little bloodshot and glassy, and the crash that occurred, I want to put you through some standardized field sobriety tests. Would you be willing to do those?
Yeah, I prefer to get a blood test.
Well, we'll talk about that later, but I need to run you through some tests first, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't we, hey Sarge, I'm gonna run her through SFSTs quick. I'm just gonna probably do them back here real fast, okay? Okay. You just wanna stand by with me? Okay. All right, let's go back here in the back of this car. You can put your you can put your purse down. Okay, that's all right. Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
No.
No guns, I saw a CCW in there for you.
Yeah, I do have a.
You don't have a gun on you though?
I do not have a
Okay.
concealed, no.
Do you mind if I search you real quick, just to make sure?
Yeah.
So you said you had 3 margaritas, right?
Yeah. But I kept filling my third with soda water.
Okay. So I have a couple other questions before we start, okay? So what time did you get to Lucky Shots?
It was at the Packer game, so
So-
3:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from 3:30 until the crash occurred, you only had 3 drinks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I kept filling my third drink with soda water.
Yeah. You can grab mine real quick. I'll unlock my squad. Okay. So at like 3:15, or the game started at 3:15. So is that, did you get there for the start of the game?
We got there right at the start of
Okay.
the game.
So you got to Lucky Shots at like 3:15.
Yeah. Or I mean, yeah, 3:15.
Sure. Okay. And then what time did you leave Lucky Shots?
I mean, we just left, so.
So roughly shortly before, like to get over. It's not that far away, right? So
Yeah, like-
do you have an estimated time when you left at all?
Is that the driver of that car?
It was a little
ID?
after
Yes.
the game ended. It
Okay.
was a little after.
A little after the game ended?
Yeah. I mean, we stayed and talked a little bit, and then we left. But we
Okay.
knew we had to get home because of my dog and his
Yep,
antibiotics.
I got you. And we'll figure that, and I promise you we'll be able to make phone calls and figure out that, okay? First test I'm going to have you do, it's going to be a test of your eyes, okay? So all I need you to do, see what color this pen is?
Red.
Red? Okay. So I need you to do is follow this pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I need you to stand with your feet together with your arms down at your sides. Just get your toes together. I know it seems kind of tedious, but we have to run them a specific way. And just stand like that and then follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Mm-hmm. 469 coming up, you on field. And then with your right foot, stand in front of it, standing heel to toe. Okay, so left foot on that line, and then put your right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
Wait, am I going on that line?
No,
or
just
am I
an imaginary line in front of you.
And where am I going?
Right now, I'm just trying to get you into the starting stance. So left foot on that imaginary line with the right foot in front of it, standing heel to toe.
I don't know if I could do that sober. Okay.
Okay, so can you switch your feet for me? Left foot with your right foot in front, okay? Now you're gonna stay like this while I'm explaining this test to you, okay? So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be taking a series of 9 heel to toe steps down that line. All right, you can begin. Count out loud.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, all right, you can turn and face me again. Okay. All right, next test is gonna be a test of, it's a balancing test, okay?
1, 2,
Look at your lead foot.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Keep doing it, keep going until you, keep going. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Okay, you can stop.
I grabbed mine because I don't even know your car.
That's all right. You have a gray one or you have a?
Yeah, gray one.
Okay. All right, so this last part is gonna be a PBT, okay?
What's a PBT?
It's just a breathalyzer. It's not admissible in court. It's just a gauge to see where you're at, okay?
No, I refuse.
You're not gonna be taking it?
Blood test. Yeah.
Okay. You can turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be placed under arrest for operating while under the influence. At this point, I believe it's causing great bodily harm, but we will determine what that's going to be when that actually gets figured out.
My husband, where's my husband?
I don't know. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to my squad car, and then I have a form I'm going to read to you, okay? Sir, do you need anything from her?
I just, it's my turn.
Yep. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, sir.
I was just marking you guys as
Okay.
And
All right,
no,
let's.
you have my personal documents.
such as what?
Like, I feel like I'm missing my phone and missing my driver's license and missing...
I have your driver's license. Is your phone in your purse?
No, it's not in
Okay.
my purse.
Do you mind if we?
I'll look for it.
Yeah, we'll look for it.
Rebecca initially refuses a portable breathalyzer test and is placed under arrest for OWI days before the accident turns deadly.
On their way to Milwaukee.
Can you tell me, is this,
So
what is
this'll
this
be-
guy doing?
He's currently on his way to Milwaukee, Maine, because it's not looking good.
One partial witness right now. Peter's getting a statement from him.
Okay.
Not even really a good one, but
The only. Okay. All right, we're just gonna go around to my passenger side. I know I already searched you once, but now that you're under arrest, I'm gonna put you in my car. I'm just gonna make sure you still don't have any weapons on you, anything like that.
No.
Okay. 6 of 6, many in walk and turn, many in one leg stand. So what we normally do in these situations is after I read you a form, we're gonna have we would like a drug recognition expert to come out, and he's gonna run some more tests with you. Is that you don't have to do these, but it would be is it something you'd be willing to do?
I guess I would like my lawyer, I guess.
Well, right now we're not really getting into the lawyer part. This is purely up to you. You don't have to do them. This is one of our DREs here. He runs them. It's literally just this test for the state. It doesn't hurt process. It's just another test that we like to run. If you would be willing to do one, we'll have one there with us. If you don't want to do one, we don't need one. So it's up to you. I'll let you think about it. We can talk about it in a minute, okay? All right. Why don't you?
I have 3 deputies available in the area. Every time one of them is like, out of your door.
You need anything else from me? Okay, I'm gonna take her up. So get blood real quick. What does he want? Why is he tapping on the window?
He's just obnoxious. Broken record. Same bull. It's not illegal to have a gun when you're drunk.
No, it's not. Since when is this in America, right?
Yeah, America.
Next, Rebecca's taken to a hospital for further testing.
We'll figure it out later, okay? We'll make sure someone gets over to your house, okay? Is it just your dogs at your house? Or do you have any kids at home?
It is, I know. I know it sounds silly.
It's not silly.
It's not anything compared to what that guy's going through in Milwaukee. Or my husband. I'm just so ashamed right now. I
It's
just
okay.
need to, your mom and dad to know.
Okay. Your husband's okay. He's okay. He's getting checked out in the ED right now, but he's okay.
Okay, miss, so my name's Deputy Kid, I'm from the Sheriff's Office, okay? But I was not there. I don't know what happened exactly. I'm not investigating the crash or anything like that. But I'm a drug recognition expert, so I'm just here to rule out any sort of drug impairment or anything like that. So what I'm gonna have you do is go into this PBT, okay? And then when it beeps, that's all I need you to do, okay? Keep going, 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 keep going. All right, thank you.
Here, the former associate principal complies with a breathalyzer test that, according to a criminal complaint, registered as a .109 blood alcohol level.
Here at the call. So I do this thing, it's called a drug recognition expert. It's fancy, I just do evaluations to see if you're under the influence of drugs. Okay, so is that something you'd be willing to do? It's about 45 minutes, it's consensual, and yeah, it's about 45 minutes.
Am I under arrest?
You are under arrest.
Okay, so I haven't been given my rights, and I prefer if I can.
We haven't asked you any incriminating questions at this point. So we're just doing evidence collection right now. But I am actually about to read you your rights if you would agree to this test.
I would, no, I'm gonna.
Okay.
If you read me my rights, I'm gonna ask for a lawyer.
Okay. So I'm just gonna have you blow into this PBT. We'll read the rights here. There's a bunch of questions here. If you want to learn them, we're not gonna ask all those questions. Okay, fair enough? Okay, go ahead.
Is that optional?
You can refuse it if you would like to.
What are the implications of that?
Well, you're gonna be the one that has to go to court and explain to a judge why you were uncooperative with the police.
I'm not trying to be uncooperative, but
I'm just saying. I'm just answering your question.
You haven't read me my rights.
Yep. Well, this isn't TV,
And if
right?
you said I'm under arrest, then you should
Then what do I have to do?
Then you should read me my
When?
rights.
When?
If I'm under arrest.
When do I read your rights when you're under arrest?
I'm not sure, and that's why
Okay,
I need
see,
to
that's what
consult a lawyer.
Yeah, that's fair. But I'm just telling you, it's not like some sort of malpractice happened here.
I don't think that's so. I am a big supporter of the police and
Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm just.
supporter of the police. I just also need to protect myself.
Absolutely, and this is the United States. And that's the beauty of America, right?
I would prefer to have a lawyer. I want to be talkative, but I want to have a lawyer to make sure.
To protect yourself. Yeah, absolutely. That's the purpose.
Eventually, Rebecca agrees to undergo further testing and is taken to another room where she again completes field sobriety tests before one officer fills her in on the victim's condition.
All done with his portion of it, okay? You've been cooperative with me so far, okay? But I'll put handcuffs in front of you, okay? But right now we're gonna go up to the jail, okay? All right. So just put your hands. What's that? So I'm gonna let you know, as of right now, the other individual in the car, the guy in the other car, he is still alive. However, he does have pretty significant injuries. I wasn't able to get a list of what his injuries are right now. But right now, so it's going to be the OWI citation. It's going to be an OWI causing injury citation, and then a failure to yield causing injury as well. Okay? Stuff may change depending on his status, okay? But that's what we're going with at the moment, okay? Do you have any questions on anything right now? Okay. Zucker, do you mind grabbing her? I'm gonna grab my stuff.
Rebecca's charge was later upgraded to homicide by intoxicated use of a vehicle. Court records show she pleaded no contest to the charge and was sentenced to 6 years behind bars, followed by 3 years of extended supervision. It's just before 11 a.m. at a middle school in Barrytown, Vermont, when a school resource officer is waved into the principal's office, where one teacher is about to find herself in big trouble.
I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm such a bad person.
No, you're not a bad person. You made an unfortunate choice. No, you're not a bad person.
I'm such a... No. What have I done? My whole Oh my God.
So we've got 137. I'm going to write that down.
Police identify the woman seen here as 47-year-old Melissa Martin, a substitute teacher who allegedly just admitted to using cocaine after faculty said a student alerted them of her odd behavior.
Oxygen is 98%. I'm sorry, what was that? 98% oxygen.
No. Oh my God, I don't know. I'm so sorry. I know. Oh my God, my family is gonna be so.
So, did she show up like
What have I done? Oh my God.
Are the kids in?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Let them get into the cafeteria, and then we are going into a clear the halls for the entire school. Okay? I don't know if the ambulance is
already
there or
on it.
not.
I'm already on it. You're all set. Yep.
Oh my God.
Did you
God.
guys already send
No, I'm
one?
going to tell you why. It's your privacy. So that the ambulance can come and make sure that you're okay. It's your privacy.
She's saying she doesn't need one right now, but
I want to go home. Oh my God.
send them anyways, and she can just decline them when they get here.
Like I have some.
Oh, sounds good. Thank you.
Leave your coat here at school.
Jacket.
And did you use
In my
it?
house.
Are you guys okay? Did you use it at
No,
Let's
please
go.
help me.
that's all.
No, I haven't used it at school.
Where's her stuff?
She has cocaine in the building right now.
That's what I was curious
You're
about.
going. We're going. I
Well,
just
'cause-
want her not to.
yeah, there's no way she didn't do it here.
Yeah.
It sets on
No.
immediately.
Melissa is taken to an ambulance, while the officer follows a staff member to the classroom where the suspect allegedly said she had cocaine stashed in her jacket.
Where is her stuff in the classroom? Is she a teacher here? No. 575, 573. I'm gonna slide over here.
I don't know if this is her stuff or not. She said it's in her jacket. That's a jacket. I'm not gonna touch it.
575, 573. You wanna slide over here? Is this 100%
I'm not,
correct room?
it might not be. Just let me call.
I can have the canine come over and just do a sniff.
Yeah,
Right room.
that's 100% her stuff.
Hey, you wanna slide over to the school and bring the code in? Teacher brought cocaine to school and is high right now. Yeah, I probably need to do a sniff on her stuff to take it. It's a chick and she's like visibly high. Like, she's in Erica Pearson's office like tweaking right now. I'm in the classroom where supposedly she had the coke. I mean, she has it here. She didn't show up high. Like, she is like tweaking right now.
She told me it's in here.
Yeah, I'm
That's
sure.
enough for me to do it, right? Because I'm school.
I don't know about your policies, but legal standard. I mean, we'll probably charge her with something if.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure she has something. If she has something, we'll probably charge her. So we'll just wait until Leo gets here with her dog and run the dog around it. I mean, I can also go ask her if she'll let us search, but.
Next, a canine officer arrives to sniff out any potential drugs.
Say?
Train drugs in your report.
The canine officer heads right to the desk area and signals that an odor of narcotics was detected, according to a police report.
Jesus, let go. Have some manners. Do you want to pull the backpack though and see if she hits on the coat too? She had said it's in the coat.
She told us
Dakota.
it's in the coat pocket.
That's right in the same spot. I mean,
I think just based on her saying it's in the coat.
The order's there anyway.
Okay, we'll just use all of her stuff then. She'll probably consent to it, but the SAs, yeah, the SAs want us to Mirandize her too. Did she tell you guys where she used, if it was the car in the building?
She ended up telling us. I mean, she tried to tell she told the EMTs again that she used it this morning, and he was like, nope, when? And she just said, I don't know. And then he said, how much? She said, I don't know. But she said, I just kept putting it on my tongue. So she was rubbing it in the gums and her tongue.
Okay. I just want to make sure it wasn't like in a bathroom somewhere and then in the trash.
Or right here. She's just.
Yeah. It's kind of unbelievable that somebody would
I guess so.
have that nerve.
She did a good job. What was that? 35 seconds?
Oh, the students did? How did it come into you guys?
She's quick with it. She's always. She knows when she's working. It's like
something was reported, and I was face to face with Melissa, and I'm like, something's off, and I got.
And then I looked at her and said, what did you do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
so the students, they weren't already out to recess at that point?
No, an 8th grade student on his way stopped in. He was getting ready. They were getting ready to go, and he literally said she's high. But he also comes from a background in which he would be able to identify that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's wild,
isn't it?
And then when I saw her, it was obvious.
Oh, it's completely obvious.
Yeah.
And I knew that it wasn't. Actually, I kind of thought maybe she had taken meth, to be honest with you. But,
yeah. Meth and coke are pretty similar, both stimulants.
So.
Enough.
All right.
She's like,
Dad. Yeah, well, we'll head up to the hospital and we'll deal with her. And,
Thank you. We will probably wait till you guys get outside before we lift to clear the hall so that you guys can walk through.
Yeah.
You heard that right. A staff member said an 8th grade student told faculty that the substitute teacher was high before staff intervened. Next, one officer meets Melissa at the hospital, where she's not exactly calming down.
Which room is the teacher in who's brought in that's high? The teacher who's high. B0?
B0.
Thank you.
Yep.
It's over here, isn't it?
Oh, great. No, it's right in the morning.
Oh, awesome.
There you go.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Melissa, other than cocaine, have you used any other substances? Are you snorting or injecting?
Snorted. It's on my tongue.
Okay.
My boyfriend and I fighting, and he's like a narcissist. And I stayed up all night looking for an apartment.
How much cocaine do you think you're using every day? Not sure.
I should never tried it ever. Actually, it just numbs the pain. I'm worried about, I'm like, it's, sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt anybody. I don't want to let every, I can't look at my parents. I can't look at anybody. I'm so ashamed.
So Melissa, I'm here for our aspect of this and our investigation into this, obviously. So I do have a couple of questions for you based on that. So what exactly happened today? Will you tell me?
See, my finger is diabetes and codeine. Staying awake during the night, looking for an apartment.
So I overheard you talking with a doctor. You said you were fighting with your boyfriend and up all night last night. So you were trying to stay awake today at school. Is that what was happening?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm tired.
Okay. And when at school and where in the school were you using the cocaine?
I didn't use it at the school,
Uh-huh.
or in the school.
So, Melissa, I'm going to be honest with
I
you.
had it in my pocket, in my jacket.
Well, your jacket was in the school.
Right.
So, Melissa,
I wore my jacket into the school, but I didn't do any at school.
so there's still some in your jacket pocket?
It's, yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's where.
So, Melissa, I've been in law enforcement for a little while, and I've been around people who have used drugs for a while. I know cocaine hits you pretty quickly, and I know it usually wears off in a couple hours. It was around 11 o'clock when this happened. So if you showed up today at 8 o'clock, which is the normal start time for the school, you wouldn't be visibly high right now if you hadn't used at the school.
I swear to God, I
So
did not use at the school.
my assumption is the kids went out for a recess and lunch, and that's when it would have happened. Is that true?
No, they had the 8th grade came in, and one of the boys said Miss Melissa's high or left. No, a girl came back into the room and she goes,
Why are you
"So-"
twitching your feet like that? Can you try to stop doing that? Okay.
And my legs go all the time.
So you said one of the 8th graders came into the room, or did they see you out in the hallway?
No, I had that class. I was teaching that class, and one of the girls that was in the class came back into the classroom, and she's like, so and so, the student's name, she said he's a little snitch. And I said, what are we talking about? And she goes, he's saying that you're high. And I was like, what? And I'm guessing he's probably saying it because my feet and my legs go.
Mm-hmm.
I can't stop it. It does it when I'm not on anything.
Okay.
I can't.
So what time would you say you used cocaine this morning?
I used it before I got to school.
Before you got to school?
Yeah.
Okay, like out in your
Like-
car, out at home, where'd you use it?
No, like, I had used it in my car before I got to school.
Is there any in your car?
No.
So you used it in your car and then you brought what you had left into the school?
Well, because I had it in my jacket pocket.
Okay.
And I had my jacket on, and I wore my jacket into the school, and
Okay. Where'd you get the cocaine from?
I found it.
You found it. Where'd you find it?
I don't want to discuss it. I'd like to not talk anymore.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So you don't have to talk other than answering this question. Frankly, you don't have to answer it. We're going to proceed irregardless. So where we're at right now is we brought a canine into that classroom. We ran the canine around your stuff. The canine hit on both your backpack and your jacket. So you can either consent to us searching your jacket and your backpack, or what's going to happen is we're going to take it back to the police department. We're going to write a search warrant, and a judge will make a determination as to whether or not to grant that search warrant for the backpack and the jacket.
You can search my backpack. There's nothing in it.
Okay, and can I search the jacket too? Okay.
Melissa gives the officer consent to search her belongings when he quickly finds a baggie of suspected cocaine in her jacket pocket. Investigators later tested the substance.
I think it couldn't get any more clear than that.
That indicated a presumptive positive for the presence of cocaine, according to police.
What are they gonna do to me? What's gonna happen
So-
to me? I'm upside down.
Melissa.
I don't want to go to jail.
Melissa,
I don't want to.
Melissa, you're here for help. The hospital's going to help you. So, based on the...
I'm sorry.
You're okay.
I'm trying to listen. I can't.
It's okay.
I'm scared.
So you're not going to jail right now. You're going to stay here. I'm going to walk out the door in a couple minutes. So you're here to get help first. You taking care of yourself is the priority. Melissa, that's for the best. If you're going through some stuff, you want some you want to get help.
I can't barely look at you. I feel like such a piece of shit.
What'd you say?
I thought somebody was already in here. Were they getting,
She came in for just a minute, and I'll be out of here in like 2 seconds. She just told me to grab her. So I just need to drop paper on her.
no worries. Okay. Do you want help sitting up more?
I'm sorry. I'm overwhelmed.
Do you guys have any rubber gloves I can toss this in?
I'm overwhelmed.
So, Melissa, I'm just going to issue this to you, and then I'm going to get out of here, okay? Is there anyone you want me to contact for you? Just let them... Okay, I wasn't sure if you had like family or something you wanted to...
I don't want to face my...
No, that's totally fine. I just wanted to make sure that you didn't want somebody to know you were up here. Because I can do that for you if you need. But so,
We
what...
can also do it like later in a few hours or whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. It's up to you when. It's pretty much up
all messed up. Like this is a panic that's coming out. My legs are expanding panic.
So, Melissa, what this is the citation to court right here. It's going to be for next Thursday at 8:30 in the morning. You're going to be charged with reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. So, at the time of it, you're going to show up.
Reckless endangerment?
Reckless endangerment for bringing drugs into the school is what that is. It's reckless because if a kid gets possession of those drugs, the kid could have serious health complications for that. And the drugs were left unattended in the classroom. So that was the reckless nature of it. So if you don't show up at that time and date, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You do understand that? Okay, will you sign acknowledging that you understand that? Okay.
Oh my god. Wait, what date is it?
Next Thursday, October 9th.
Melissa was not taken into custody, but instead issued a citation for reckless endangerment and cocaine possession. At last check, she reportedly pleaded not guilty to the charges and is expected back in court later this year.
Something tells me she's not going to be substituting here again. Probably not anywhere. Yeah.
It's Easter Sunday in Palm Beach County, Florida, where police respond to a multi-vehicle crash allegedly caused by a drunk driver who was reportedly upset over his wife's alleged infidelity.
Yep. The two girls? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, no problem. Hi, what's going on? Did you guys see something?
Yeah, so I watched it all happen.
Who are you talking about?
The guy that was driving, he's
that-
a taller male. He's wearing a teal shirt. He's got short cut hair, but he got out of the car down there to look at the damage of his car.
White or black?
White.
White male?
Yep.
In
a teal, like a blue teal shirt. And he's tall.
All right, the driver for our Signal 3 is white male, tall, with a teal shirt.
Yep.
And how old?
30s, 40s?
Witnesses described the suspect, who was later identified as 50-year-old Nathaniel Raymond, a teacher at a public high school in the area.
And so you saw him driving?
Yeah.
Okay.
I watched him hit everybody because I was taking a right turn right here. So I pulled up right as he went through and hit everyone. He stopped and then he gassed it into this Kia.
Okay. Witnesses say the driver slammed into a white Kia that, according to an arrest affidavit, was driven by a 9 months pregnant woman who had 2 other kids in the car with her. The woman was taken to a hospital for evaluation while her kids were picked up by a family member. That driver later told police she believed the crash was intentional after noting the suspect's black Toyota hit another white car before coming to a stop and accelerating toward her vehicle. The driver of the other white car involved told police the suspect made a U-turn after crashing into his vehicle and headed straight for the white Kia with the pregnant woman and kids inside. All survived the ordeal that investigators later allege may have been a case of mistaken identity, with the intended target being Nathaniel's wife, who also drives a white car.
Yeah, down. Alright. So yeah, just give me a 1070 for now, this one. And if he's checking to see if that one is driving.
He somehow hit everybody coming across.
Okay, so you're just coming across? Okay.
Yep, and he hit the 2 cars coming across.
Okay.
Like he nicked the front of the one, hit the other one, slammed on the brakes, stopped, and then I think he panicked, hit the gas, and then accelerated directly into this Kia.
Okay.
Yep, and so when I saw him, after he hit the Kia, he just gassed it. And so I followed him to get the license plate, and he took a right, which is towards my house, and then he stopped and got out of the car, which is how I can tell you that he was tall, what color shirt he was wearing.
Anybody else in the vehicle?
I didn't see anybody else. No one else got out. He got out kind of stumbling. You know, he looked a little bit. He went to walk down the sidewalk, turned around, went back to his car, got in it, and then tore off.
I guess at 1070. We got a 1070?
Because
yes.
I was here about 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
So you have a police story, you got witnesses and everything?
Yes, can you ID the driver?
No, he came from here. He hit the first car in the first lane, then he hit a car over here, then he went down this street.
Yeah, that's the story we got from a witness as well.
His car was damaged. One of the
we found the car. We just if somebody could ID him and see who was driving, that would be.
I didn't see the driver. I saw the car and the damage.
Okay, thank you. brought him to the hospital?
Who?
The guy?
I don't think they're with them. With him.
Who's with him?
Is anybody even with them? I don't know if they're still.
don't know.
I don't know. Because he wasn't even in the call. I don't know. I just put the car in the call. Yeah, go.
It doesn't take police long to track down the suspect's vehicle, found crashed into the address attached to the license plate and followed by a trail of destruction.
More than likely, he's probably confusing his wife's RAV4 with that RAV4, and that's what caused that crash over there. He probably saw a RAV4 and decided he was going to hit that car.
He's infuriated, and he don't want to talk to me.
What is going on?
Hey, he's risen.
He's what?
He is risen.
Oh, I guess that's what's happening, huh? It's just getting...
He's risen, and we're all stuck here. And he just released everybody.
Yeah, he came... Oh, I held broke loose.
Ollie, what's up, bro? He's risen.
You had a fall. I had a fall.
He's released.
You had two falls. I had a fall.
It's been a great morning, but you started the. Yeah, he says he doesn't know where the wife's at. He's like, I don't know where she's at.
How did this car end up?
He went right into his house.
Huh? That's his house.
He went into his own house.
All that damage is from
Everything else.
Okeechobee and Wildcat, right?
Yeah.
And he drove it like this all the way here?
Apparently, it's pre-existing damage to the rear, right? He's always had bad. No. So God knows what else he hit into.
Bumper is.
No, that's right. He probably backed into something and damaged
what
the rear
happened
car.
over there?
They're telling me that there's a bunch of knockdown mailboxes like on the way down.
Down the street?
Oh my God.
All right, let me see if I can grab this.
So he hit a bunch of other stuff. This guy just went ape shit, huh?
Yeah, he's
Okay, so
he's livid.
do you know what happened over there?
No idea.
How many cars did he hit over
I
there?
have no idea. I think it's 3 cars.
I'll call you back.
Dude, I literally just got here. 5 minutes ago when I was down the
Any
street.
idea what?
Well, yeah, I walked outside and I was like, you guys looking for this?
Just so that I have an idea what's going on. What's going on? This guy.
There's the single free suspect vehicle.
At Wildcat and Okeechobee. How many cars did he hit there? Because I see a bunch of cars over there.
I think there's 2 or 3.
Okay.
And basically, like he fled this way. They said when he came down this way, he potentially hit something down over there. And then he was trying to flee and get back into his house. And then he came, I guess, this way, came back, and then crashed into his house.
So this is his house.
Yeah, he was trying to get back to his house.
Is he hurt or is just...
I think so, yeah. Or he's extremely signal too, is what they said.
Okay. Are we gonna...
I think we're still trying to figure out what's going on.
What?
His wife was cheating on him or something like that. And that's what caused this.
That's the wife?
Oh, so you were trying to...
Okay. Or the potential.
And then he hit another one that looks like this?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
Next, officers get a chance to speak with the suspect's wife.
You got him kind of a little upset?
Yeah, he's been drinking heavily all weekends.
Yep.
Yeah, so I mean, he's been loud and belligerent, and when we left, he was
not happy.
Not happy. But this, I mean,
So when was the last time you had contact with him?
I mean, I was here getting ready, and we left and running late, probably about 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yeah, 1:30.
And what was last said? You guys had an argument, obviously. So what was last said?
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
So I was upset with him for drinking. And you know, he hasn't been coming with me to like family events, so but we weren't really like communicating well. So I was just getting ready for Easter dinner, but
No, you're following the car.
Yeah.
Unless they ask you, but
Yeah.
Alright. I'll follow. Anything else you want to ask?
I'm still confused.
He's just upset about the nature of the fact that we're separating, and it's becoming more like real to him, I guess.
What's he upset about? Is he like thinking that maybe you're with somebody else, or?
Move over to the ship.
Sure, absolutely.
Sorry.
Yeah. Is he thinking that you're maybe with somebody else, or?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Did he make any threat to you today?
Yeah, I mean, I've been on my my voice app recording. I have a cop friend who said if you ever try to hurt me, to say like you're being recorded.
Okay, what did he say?
I'd honestly have to listen back to it. I just try to like deflect it, you know, like I just try to like not absorb it. But like Thursday, for example, he like walked right into me, and my daughter said, so it's becoming like more obvious to her. So that's my uncle. So I'm not exactly sure what threat. Like I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna hurt. I'm not sure. Like I'd have to listen to the video, the voice recording. Yeah, but just I'm gonna hurt you. You know, just. But I don't know exactly. Like I couldn't.
He does not live here anymore.
He
right?
does live here.
So you guys still live together, but separated.
Yes. So he lives in the guest room, and I am in the master bedroom. And
is it separation, or is there an actual divorce going on right now?
so about a year ago, I met with a divorce lawyer, and he said that I need to start documenting. My concern was that I didn't want him to have any custody because of him drinking. I was worried that if he would have an accident.
How many kids do you guys have together?
Just one. It was getting more serious because my friend who works for DCS said there's something called Sober Link. So that was giving me something I could follow up on to make sure that he would not be drunk with custody of our daughter. And so all that's been falling more into place.
What happened today? Like my sergeant asked you earlier, was something triggered him today specifically?
So we went to watch the Artemis 2 launch with a friend of mine. That now he's starting to kind of realize that we're separating, and I'm trying to move on.
So by friend of you, that means a person that you're seeing?
Yeah.
Okay, and he's aware that you're seeing somebody else?
Well, he's accusing me of that. I'm reminding him that I'm not his to be controlled.
All right, so you said a friend of yours. Is that? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get into your business like that, but is that a boyfriend or?
Yeah, somebody I've seen.
Okay, somebody you've seen. All right, and he's aware that you're seeing somebody.
He's aware that we're. Oh, him? No, I mean.
Talking about your husband.
He knows that like we're separated, and I was not trying to like harm him with it. I'm just trying to separate in a safe way that my daughter's okay.
Okay.
But so I'm not. I didn't like throw anything in his face, but he was becoming aware. Like last night we were at his house, and he asked me that, and I was getting upset. He was putting her in the middle, and I said he could ask me questions. Not you. And then we left for Easter.
All right, give me a second, please.
You said you passed that other accident, right? Did you happen to know them at all?
I slowed down just enough to see the cars. I mean, I only looked to see that it wasn't his.
Right.
But honestly, I didn't look any harder than that. I was just trying to like stay calm on the way over for the drive. So, I wasn't paying attention, so the ambulance took him. You said he's...
Yeah, he's gonna pump us. He's fine. I don't know what his... Does he got minor injuries, or...?
I don't know.
He was calm in the ambulance, so I'm sure it's all minor, if anything.
I mean, we're not in a good place, but obviously I don't want to...
Do you believe you will be trying to run his car into yours?
I mean, based on the voicemail you talked about, that he's trying to hurt you, and now all of a sudden...
Honestly, when she called me, I thought he had...
You tried what now?
I thought he had... Just because he has a drinking problem, he has depression.
Because I believe there's one of the vehicles over there that looks...
It just looks that way.
Looks...
Okay. That's my
appears
car.
to look like... The car appears to look like yours. We don't know at that point. So maybe He thought that was you.
We would have been out. We would have been in Wellington, so I don't think so. And he's not that aware. Like his reasoning is not there, right? Like when we left him, he was not in a coherent
When you
way at
left him
all.
today, was he already drinking? Yeah.
He has probably I don't know, but he's got like an alcohol. He's got persistent. It's part of the reason why we're separating. I can't. He's like a second child, and he's just constantly drunk, and I constantly am having to manage that. And this is like an example of what happens when I try to leave for you. Like all of this, I can't believe. I mean, it's obviously really bad, the worst ever.
Excuse us for a second.
Nathaniel's wife told police he had been heavily drinking over the weekend before learning of her alleged relationship with someone else. An incident report shows that the suspect allegedly told deputies his wife had cheated on him and said he was looking for her before he was taken to a hospital. Once there, Nathaniel agreed to speak with investigators when he allegedly said he, quote, lost it after his daughter named the person involved in the alleged affair. When questioned about crashing into the pregnant woman and others, Nathaniel is noted saying he didn't know what was going on and thought he had only hit a mailbox. Furthermore, the 50-year-old admitted to drinking around 6 beers due to his heightened emotions. Next, we get a closer look at Nathaniel's car before one deputy surveys the extent of the damage along the dangerous driver's path of destruction.
Okay, damage to the passenger side, rear. Big damage to the front bumper is out. He hit the wall, he hit the garage door, came in at an angle. Okay, damage to the whole front of the Toyota Camry. Alright, so the subject hit the Comcast box in front of house 153, according to neighbors here. And they describe it as he was going 100 miles an hour.
Here, one officer notes a damaged cable box along the way, but that's not all.
Hit Comcast box. You can see tire marks. Hey, was there any damage to you guys here?
Nothing we can see.
Okay.
No, nothing here.
All right, thank you. Tire marks at the curb here. Started in front of house 151. He drove on the grass right here. Drove on the sidewalk. You can see the tire marks. Hit branches. Hit the Comcast box that we can clearly see here. Tire marks. Then drove in the driveway of house 141. He crossed the street. We can follow in the tire marks. Drove on the grass in front of house number 117. Clear tire marks, grass. House number 117. And then where else did he go?
Looks like he hit that curb and that went straight.
Where do you see any marks here? Maybe this right here. So hit the curb in front of house 139. Grass. Tire marks on grass. And then he finally went straight. And then pulled into his driveway like that. All right. If you can shoot me an email with whatever information he has or he saw, that would be great.
Yeah, he said he saw him fly down and then hit his garage. That's all he saw. He didn't see anything down here.
Okay. But everybody here knows him as...
He lives there.
He lives here. He's Brittany. The lady who lives there is her husband.
He usually waves and drives slow, so I don't know.
Yeah, he's...
I don't
he was
think
self-medicating.
I cannot really tell you.
I saw him get in the ambulance.
Some bad things are happening.
Next, the officer drives down the road a short way to survey even more damage.
The stop sign is down. I can see tire marks of a vehicle and appears to be black Toyota based on the vehicle parts that are on the ground here. You can clearly see the sign Toyota. That's the front bumper. And then part of the front bumper also.
Now, the officer finds more scattered car parts next to a fallen stop sign as he continues following Nathaniel's alleged path.
Hey man, you busy?
Very.
I work at Maple Street.
Oh, okay.
Breakfast place.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for your service. This is
Well,
where
thank you. I appreciate that.
off, man.
Oh, well, thank you.
You're
Appreciate
very welcome.
it.
Thank you for what you do.
All right, man. You take care.
Appreciate
it. Take care. All right.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So stop sign is down. Parts of the vehicle left on the grass. Parts. Tire marks. Across the street and damage the mailbox in front of house number 133 Starling Avenue. 133 Starling Avenue. We can see the tire marks. Mailbox is damaged, and also part of the vehicle is left.
In total, Nathaniel allegedly damaged 3 vehicles, including his own, a stop sign, a mailbox, and a cable box before crashing into his own home, damaging the garage area. Nathaniel was booked for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill and failure to stop and remain at the scene of a crash involving injury. At last check, the 50-year-old was released on a $5,000 bond and is awaiting his next court date.
How did we get there?
That I don't know.
Because she's a child.
Sorry, I'm
right?
being too friendly with them.
You are going to be placed under arrest.
And this is going to be as a, or
it's going to be a sex offense with them involving a minor.
Because I don't want to see them get taken advantage of.
Right.
It's January in Ocala, Florida, where one high school's assistant football coach is about to be taught a serious lesson.
All right, so why do you think you're here today?
My relationship with some of the girls.
Okay, what does that look like?
From the outside, you would think it's weird something going on, but I've been a coach in 5 years, and it's like they can confide in me as well as the boys.
Okay.
Like, excuse me, like it looks weird, but like they come to me with problems and just confide, and because I'm easy to talk to, and
sure.
The boys do it too, and I'm there for them basically.
How long have you been coaching out there?
This will be my 5th year.
5th year? Okay,
Yes.
so you've been out there for a long time, seeing a lot of kids coming and going.
Yes.
Okay. And do you do that full time or do you do something else?
No, I work. I work for the city of Ocala. I drive garbage trucks.
Okay. How long have you been doing that?
5 years, 5 years.
Okay.
Detectives identify the man seen here as 43-year-old James Ford III, who was arrested after a school resource officer was alerted about an alleged sexual relationship between him and a 16-year-old student.
Okay, so I know you said you believed you were here because of some inappropriate, possibly people think is inappropriate with the girls. Is there any girls in particular?
Yes, well, am I allowed to say the name? Because I don't want to.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's
okay. Kennedy, okay. And then are these girls, how do you, I mean, because I know you said football, do you guys have like a football, like a girls, like a flag football?
We have a girls flag football team.
Okay.
One of the girls plays flag. She also plays tackle football.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, so it's just, I've been a father feel like I lost her father.
Okay.
And even her grandmother, I'm really close to her grandmother-in-law, and she comes to me all the time to appreciate what me and some other coaches have done for her, been there, stuff, to be in that role. And like our previous head coach did ask, do she have to worry about that? And the other coach like, no, it's like she lost her dad. He's like a real father figure to her. And it's just like outside looking in, you would think, because it's weird, because that's not my child. I have a son that goes.
Oh, okay.
And even the kids, some of the kids say that's Coach Ford's other bonus daughter. So it's like that.
And that's referring to. Okay. And how about?
She's a football player. She comes to me with her problems, and she just made a flyer for me for flag football. So like she calls me Unc, and all well as stuff and call me Unc. They'll call me Unc. Okay. And like when they have problems, they'll come to me. We try to stay on the right path. And I talk to them and give it to them like they're all my kids.
Right.
So.
Yeah, because it's tough out here.
Yeah,
so.
And I don't want to sugarcoat nothing to be soft on them because I don't want to see them get taken advantage of. And
right.
So we do kind of talk, and so if some kids do hear us talk, it's kind of how I would talk to my own kids.
Okay. And then how about?
Same with Unc, that's same as that.
Same? Okay. Just kind of that father figure.
Well, no, her dad's in her life. It's just, I'm just
okay.
like who she could confide in.
Okay.
Like if they have problems.
And then have these girls been at the school and then since you've been there, or did they come later on? What did that look like? Like, have you had interaction with them for 4 years?
No,
or
I met them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just at the actual school itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the boys are the same. Like I have one player, he says I'm more of a dad to him than his own dad.
Okay.
And so it's just like I'm mentoring basically. Well, I thought I was doing right, but
yeah. And I know like when you have teams and stuff, you have to keep in contact with your players and things like that. Do you communicate with these girls at all on, like a cell phone, or is it on an app or?
Nah, they'll text me, Coach Ford, I need or like their problems, or can I talk to them about this? Can I help them out with this or this and that, or stuff like that.
Okay.
James tells the detective he doesn't want the students to, quote, get taken advantage of, and says he's more of a father figure to some of the minors. But this detective isn't convinced.
So you have the team's contact numbers, they have yours, and there's just general conversation back and forth. Okay. At any point in time, has there ever been, and it's like, we know these, girls these days, is there any time when any of this conversation maybe went a little differently than it should, or something that might not be
No, ma'am, but if you was look at it and don't know the ends of it, you would think that they'll come hug me and be up under me and stuff like that. So it looks weird because the trainer said something, but it's not like that.
Okay. And then how about on the text, anything on that end that you've had to maybe shut down, or
no,
nothing's popped up on their end or on your end?
Nope.
Okay. All right. So when would you say you started communicating with any of these girls over text, just about sports or whatever?
Okay. With the football team, we have everyone's number, so we have group text, and I have the text, hey, I need you to do this.
Okay.
Ask what numbers they want, stuff like that.
Right.
And basically that's how it was. And then with the girls, I coach flag football. The girls,
okay.
It's basically the girls basketball team, which most of them have my number also.
Okay.
And like they'll text me, Coach, I'm sorry, I cut you off.
No, you're good.
They'll text me like, Coach, for when this flag starts, I text them the schedule. Practice starts this date or whatever like that.
Okay. And I know you said you felt like people at school maybe felt a different way. When did you get knowledge that something was maybe being said?
Well, last year Coach asked, did he have to worry about? And the coach said, no, it's fine.
Okay.
And the trainer, she was kind of skeptical too.
Now, James reveals that a trainer at the school had grown suspicious of him, but maintains his innocence for now.
Now, what about this week? What happened this week?
I don't know. I'm there. They come. They hug me, like normal, and that's it.
When did you find out something was going on this week with the school?
I got a call Tuesday.
Tuesday? Okay. Was that from
the new head coach?
The head coach? Okay. And how did that conversation
go? He
work?
just said, hey, they're doing an investigation with you and some of the girls. I'm like, what you mean? Like, I've been like this with, and just said they're doing an investigation. Okay. Like something was said, somebody went back and said they're not comfortable around me from something being said, but how we talk to them is like we're talking to our own kids. So I don't know if another student probably heard it, thought it was inappropriate, and it wasn't comfortable, or one of the boys maybe liked the girls and saw it. I mean, I don't know.
Not sure. So I want to talk a little bit about, okay, so dealing with her. is there any reason why she might think that you're something more than a coach to her?
Uncle, maybe.
Just an uncle? Okay. And when you say uncle, what does that look like for her? Like, how do you feel like an uncle, or how would she feel like you're an uncle?
Like, she'll hug me, come from the side, hug me, and like, if she have problems with boys or whatever, because they've called me plenty of times about trouble with boys. I don't want to see them get taken advantage of, or just out doing stuff. It is what it is, and you know, just getting taken advantage of, basically.
Okay. Has there ever been anything on your end that would lead you to believe that you're acting as something other than a family member or a mentor, as you describe yourself?
Like for Christmas, I bought them all Christmas.
Okay.
Asked them what they wanted, cause I bought them what I didn't get them everything on the list what they wanted, but I told them that you know, to be the person like her parents didn't want to go to her to a camp in Orlando.
Who's that? Okay.
I went with her to the football camp, talked to the coaches for them, in place of, stuff like that.
Okay. And have you ever sent any of them money? I know you said you bought gifts and things to help out.
They're called.
How about money-wise?
Yes, if they can borrow have $10 for food, or $20 for this, or $50 for this, or for food basically.
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, I got you. I'll feed you, because that's what we do. I feed you. I don't have no problem with feeding you. I don't want you to be hungry.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And how would that look? Like, did you give them cash, or was it through like Cash App?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really carry cash on me.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think anybody does.
Yeah,
I don't even know the last time I even had cash on me. Okay. So like I said, I wanted to talk a little bit about, because there's just some concerns that people have, okay?
I can see why.
Okay. And that's what I was just kind of trying to get from you. Why so much with more than anyone else? Why people would be concerned?
She the one, like, if I'm there, she'll come up and hug and stay around. I don't see her, so I go to the weight room.
Okay.
But yeah, she always comes up, hugs me, asks how I'm doing, we talk whatever, and same if they're working out or whatever, she's gonna stop what she's doing, come hug me, and ask how I'm doing.
The 43-year-old story starts to unravel as he details giving money and gifts to female students. The detective continues pressing James before this story takes a serious turn.
And has there ever been anything that someone would consider inappropriate that's happened
maybe how we hug
between you and her?
Maybe how we hug, like she'll hug, and I guess from
any type of kissing or anything like that someone might see? Okay.
I guess how we talk to him, I guess, basically. Someone heard it.
Okay. And that's why we're here. And like I said, Mr. Ford, I appreciate you speaking with me.
Oh, yes.
Right? And when I talk with people, I always, I want to be honest because I'm always looking for honesty, right? And I know right now you're not quite being 100% honest with me. Talk to me. We're here for a reason.
I know.
We're both adults.
Like we never, I've never done nothing with her.
Okay. No, when you say nothing, what does that mean?
No sexual stuff whatsoever.
Okay.
Hug and kiss on the cheek like I kiss all of them on the cheek. Like, hug. You all right? You good?
Mm-hmm.
That's that.
Okay. So you don't think there's going to be anything or evidence of anything any different?
As far as, we probably, me probably text a little more. She'll ask how I'm doing, ask how she doing, act like I ask all of them. Yeah, you good? I check on them.
Okay.
Or whatever.
Do you ever let anyone else use your cell phone?
Oh yeah, I let kids have my phone all the time.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, and that's what I want to talk a little bit about.
Yes,
okay?
kids have my phone all the time.
Yeah.
So.
Is your phone password protected?
It is, but once I get there, I open it, and because Coach Ford, I can use your phone. So I use my phone.
Now, James admits to kissing students on the cheek and says he regularly lets students use his phone. Let's continue.
Okay. So, like when you're at school, you say you unlock your phone and you'll hand it to the kids to use. Okay. Is there any reason why maybe they might pretend to be you?
It's a few boys like it.
Mm-hmm.
And like they mentioned, like, dang, she always run Coach Ford. Why do all the girls always run Coach Ford?
Yeah. Do any of these kids ever take your phone home at nighttime?
No.
Okay. So that would be like a school hour, typical day text. Okay. So there's text messages at night between you and Kennedy.
Yes, ma'am. I'll take them text. Like I'll text all the girls.
Okay. We have to talk about that.
Okay, that's fine.
That's why we're here.
Okay.
I'm not trying to trip you up. None of that. Okay.
I'm completely honest with you.
and I think you know where we're at.
And
I just want to know how did we get there?
That I don't know. Man,
Because she's a child.
sorry,
Right?
I'm being too friendly with them.
Yeah.
I'm being too friendly. Like, I don't want to say it. Like, I help with grandmother consent. I helped them pay for her to get an abortion. Like, stuff I shouldn't be doing. Like, I'm just too nice. And
Yeah, that's way too nice.
that's what I'm saying.
You'll put yourself in
Yes.
predicaments, and that's kind of
Where I'm at
you've gotten
now.
yourself into a predicament.
Yes, and I've never been in no trouble whatsoever. 43
Okay.
years old on sir.
Because I have all of the text
That's fine.
messages between you and starting from February of last year.
Okay.
You and I both know what's in those text messages.
Police said an interview with the alleged victim uncovered more disturbing details, including that the pair had been texting for about a year. But that's not all.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, stuff, yeah. Like, I send her songs and verses and,
Okay.
yeah.
And what else?
Just, like, I've never sent no pictures. Well, I mean, no.
You have.
Well, like my birthday stuff and like I sent all
Sure.
the kids, stuff like that, but nothing explicit.
Okay.
So, excuse me. Yeah.
No, that's okay. Take your time. If you need to take a drink, you can.
Oh, okay. Right.
Okay. What about the sexually explicit conversations between
Oh,
you?
the song verses? That I shouldn't have, yeah.
They're not all song
What song
verses. Listen, I know some songs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And they're not all song verses,
Yes.
are they?
Not all of them.
Okay. So talking about, wanting to taste her and.
Well, that was a song verse of Trick Daddy. So.
Okay.
And she replied with the no, but I can.
Mhm.
Yeah, I just started laughing. But yes, I shouldn't have said some of the stuff I'm saying. Like, even at the school, I shouldn't be saying some of the stuff I be saying because I'm just so comfortable around them.
Yeah.
And just.
And what about, because I think you've developed some feelings for her, is what it looks like.
It's like I said, from outside
in
in.
the text,
From
right?
outside in. From looking at
You'll
outside.
obey, you're going to take care of her, she's your baby girl.
Oh, yeah, I call all of my baby girls. Like, I'm a baby girl. That one's a baby girl. It's just something I say.
Okay. I want to talk to you about an incident that occurred at outside of the Waffle House. You know what I'm talking about? What can you tell me about that?
She told me where she was. I went out to make sure she was okay.
Okay.
Because of her birthday.
You heard that right. James admits to meeting up with the student, who told police they had met in person at least twice before his arrest.
And she was just talking about all the problems. And I said, "You good? Okay?" And whatever. We talked for a little bit, and she left. Then when she got home, I said, "Are you good? You okay? Do you want to finish this tomorrow?" She said, "No."
Okay. So during that text message, can you take yourself back to that text message to where you eventually y'all met up? You ended up driving to the Waffle House after telling her to go to the Waffle House. Was
No,
that
but she
right?
told. Well, I think yeah.
Okay, because I think you were at the Wawa, and then she was somewhere else. Y'all probably just left school or something like that. A game, maybe.
No, it was a birthday dinner.
A birthday dinner. Okay. So, where was she at the Waffle House? Like,
She was parked.
Once y'all met.
Oh, she was parked by the sign.
Okay. Did she stay in her car or something
No, we got out and
different? Okay. Did she get into your truck?
Well, no, she opened the door and there, like, opened the door and sat in like this, got out, came around, talked, gave her a hug, and
Okay. Mr. Ford, I'm asking you to be honest.
I'm being honest. I mean, we didn't do anything.
Did she offer to do something to you?
She and not until that saying it, but she didn't just come out and say whatever, but you can tell like you know how to read between the lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, at that time in that incident, okay, did she perform oral sex on you?
She tried. She almost did.
She almost did. What does that look like? Walk me through that.
She said, "Okay, let me start it," and no.
Okay. So would know like did the act begin and then it was
It started to begin, but then I had to because I'm like you're a child.
You stopped it.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And is that would you say that's the only sexual conduct that
yes.
you had with her?
Yes.
Okay. And then I know we had talked a little bit before about was there some kissing and stuff? Maybe one time like in the locker room.
No.
Something happened with
Locker room.
The locker
We're never alone with those girls in the locker rooms.
Okay.
There's always a coach there there's always somebody there.
The student also allegedly told investigators the two had kissed in that same locker room, where James says staff is never alone with the girls. Next, The 43-year-old has some questions for the detective.
I know where this is going with am I going to get booked for?
You are going to be placed under arrest.
And this is going to be as of for?
It's going to be a sex offense involving a minor.
It's a minor, so I have to register and all that now.
But it's going to depend on where it all goes.
No.
But potentially, yes, sir. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah, that's fine. Will I lose my job? Like, I'm going to be booked all weekend, right?
You'll go in, you'll have a no bond because it's a no bond initially. But when you see the judge in the morning at first appearance, the judge will give you a bond at that time.
Moments later, James appears to show concern for one person's opinion of his alleged crime, his mother's.
I don't know if you have. Go ahead.
Well, no, my mother. Well, yeah, she will. Now, will y'all release all this information to her, or is something I would tell her?
I think you should tell her.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell your mom. You're an adult.
Yeah.
So you're got it. Your business is your business,
Yes.
right? It's not for me to tell. It's not like you're a child and I'm going to report to
No,
mom.
will these girls get in any kind of trouble, in any kind of way?
What do you think they should get in trouble for? Talk to me about that.
Basically, being inappropriate with me.
Okay.
And being too close.
No, you're a dad, right?
That's the bad thing.
You're a dad.
Yes.
So let me ask you this. You said you have a son, and he's same age?
17.
17? So let's role reverse.
I would,
okay?
yes.
And I just want you to kind of see it from a different point of view. Would you want your son? Do you think that your son should be held accountable for behaviors when there's an adult that clearly had a lapse of judgment as an adult and in my eyes took advantage of a child?
I see what you're saying.
Right? So would it be fair for them to get into trouble?
No, not really.
Or should have Mr. Ford said, this isn't right.
This isn't right.
I shouldn't do this.
Yeah.
Right? You're a mentor. You told me you're a mentor for kids.
Yep.
That's why I'm just wondering what happened. I mean, nice young man, you got a good job.
And that's what I'm afraid of, losing
There's
everything.
a lot of women out here.
Yep, that's what I'm afraid of, losing everything.
Yeah.
Which could possibly be what might happen. My
Potentially,
job,
yeah. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's not a good situation to be in.
Yeah, it's not with kids.
No.
And I've been coaching in this for years.
Yeah. So I know we have I'm going to end up writing a search warrant on your cell phone. Okay. Am I going to find anything else with any other juveniles, minors?
No.
Nothing else like that is going to be anywhere?
I can go ahead and search it now. No.
Okay. All right. So you want to give consent to search your phone?
My consent means I'm telling you to, but if not, you have her.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to sign a consent form, we'll get you sign the consent form and we can do that. If not, we just write a search warrant on it and go from there.
And that'll take how long?
It depends. It depends on how much data is on your phone. Right now, it'll be seized as evidence anyway.
So I'm sorry, go ahead.
No
question. So if I get found out tomorrow, I'm not able to take my phone?
No, sir. No.
Now, how would... Yeah, I kind of... I see what you're saying.
Yeah, and we'll do this. I'll just write a search warrant on it. That way it's easier. It's, we'll get it knocked out that way. Because it will be held pending the case because it's evidentiary, so we can't get rid of it. Because like I said, those text messages obviously were coming from your cell phone. Yeah, from you to her. So that's just part of the case, and that's kind of where we're at right now. Okay? Okay, you need anything right now?
Excuse me.
You're good. Okay.
No question. I'm able to call my mother, or do I get a call? Or?
Yeah, you can call your mom. And if you want, I'll bring my phone in, put it on speakerphone. You can call mom here. It's up to you. Or you can call her at the jail.
I mean, am I calling at both places?
Yeah, I'll let you call. Think about it.
Oh, yeah, well, I want to call her, but I want to talk and over the phone.
Understandably.
I do want to call her.
I'd want to talk to my mom too, so.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I would love to call her.
Okay, all right, I'll be right back.
James was reportedly fired from his position shortly after his arrest and banned from campus. The detective gives the suspect some time alone before returning to reveal his fate.
I'm honest with you, and I want you to be honest with me. You know where we're at, and unfortunately, this is
where it's at.
Where it's at, yeah. So hopefully, you know.
Now I have a question. Like, I want to get booked. Now, do I register? I'm having to register as a.
So that would be after, like, if there's any type of conviction or something like that.
My court date.
Could it potentially? Well, that would be like at the end when it's over.
What do you mean at the end? I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. So when the case commences, so when the case ends, when it's over. So whether the state decides to, you know, move forward, file the charges, depending on if they offer you a plea deal, if you decide you want to have your day in trial, you take it to trial. At the very end.
Like I see on TV.
Yeah, is when they would decide, are you going to be a registered
So what are my charges? What are they called?
So you're going to be charged with unlawful sexual activity with a minor, okay? You're going to be charged with the authoritative figure because you were in an authoritative figure role as a coach at the school. You're also going to be charged with travel to meet a minor for sex on the...
Oh, that's going to be on mugshot?
It's going to be listed on your charges, yes.
That was so much. Wow.
And then misuse of the two-way communication device to facilitate a felony.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is a felony?
They're all felonies.
They're all... Damn, I might lose my job. Well, I mean, I ain't like I'm not like she's my mother's not. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah. But yeah, like I said, you know, just based off of everything that we have, everything we have in the phone, the statements, you know, the sexual conduct and activity with each other, you know, it's, you know, so that's where we are. Okay.
Yeah, I think
James was booked for unlawful sexual activity with a minor, offenses against students by an authority figure, traveling to meet a minor for illegal sexual conduct, and unlawful use of a two-way communication device to facilitate a felony. Court records show prosecutors later dropped the communication charge, while James pleaded not guilty to the remaining charges. He's expected back in court this fall.
Don't know how this happened, but we're here now. You know, like I said, just gotta pray. And first offense, and this is what it is. I would rather be having a dope charge.
Yeah, than kids. I know. Yeah, yeah. It's not a fun thing. I'll tell you.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Mr. Ford, let me get that paperwork done so we can get you out of here, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
It's 9 p.m. in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where officers involved in a sting operation prepare to confront a middle school teacher.
Targets. He said it's a decoy outside, but I think that's our best mistaken. Go. Let's go.
Wait, let's see your hands. Let me see your hands. Get down on the ground. Get on the ground.
Police identify the suspect seen here as 51-year-old Stephen Phillips, a longtime PE teacher who investigators said chatted online with an undercover agent before arriving to the home, where he allegedly arranged to meet with who he thought was a 12-year-old girl.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Go on your stomach. Go on your stomach.
Go on your stomach.
Go on your stomach.
Oh my God.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop. Give me a hand.
I got one hand.
All right.
Good. You got left? All right. Other side. We're good, guys. All right. Do you have any weapons on you, sir? On the count of three, we're gonna lift you up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Check that outside. Jesus, down a ton of stuff. You guys have a flashlight?
Yeah, I got one. Oh, no, I left it inside.
It's my wallet.
This is quick.
Where'd you park your car, sir? Keith. Where's your car, sir?
Done.
You drive? What kind of car is it?
You need to follow. Get some gloves.
Prius? Prius around the corner?
I can grab it.
Right from where you walked from? Okay.
Next, Stephen is escorted inside the home, where investigators have plenty of questions for him.
So when you're looking at a man who just lost his life.
Yeah.
Right? You're looking at a man who just worked at his career for a long time. And I was so torn when somebody just messages me, hey, you want to come? And I'm like, what the is this? This cannot be true, cannot be. And then you just want to, like, you almost want to witness to see if it's out there, right? One, this is not me, this is not my character. But apparently it is because I'm here. That right here, this is something I went out to live with for the rest of my life. And in this pain and torment that I put myself through right now, and all the times just of driving over here, like, what the are you doing? This is just ridiculous. This is not who you are or what you're about. And hundreds of parents who look up to me, right? And I've never in a million years even have made a move or have done anything on any girls. That's I know that for a fact. I'm a genuine professional, and then this curiosity got the best of me. Even knowing when I'm driving over you, like your gut, like this, and it has nothing to do with probably getting caught. It has to do with like what is, anyway, it doesn't matter, gentlemen. I'm just completely embarrassed and completely.
Police said an undercover agent responded to one of Stephen's postings on a fetish website, posing as a father with bad intentions. That's when court documents show the 51-year-old middle school teacher allegedly took the bait and showed up to the home, despite acknowledging the decoy child's age and criminal nature of the idea. Next, the detective reads Stephen his Miranda rights before questioning him further.
And having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk with us?
Just a very honest and open man. Whatever. Again, I think talking to a lawyer would be my best bet.
Would you like to talk to a lawyer before you talk to us?
Yeah, I mean, I got really nothing to hide at this point. And like I said, you're looking at a man who's.
Okay.
All right, well, ask some questions.
So tell me how all this started. You everything's led you to here tonight.
Here tonight, I have an account, and I've had an account for probably about 10 years, and on that site, I post for, and I've had you have baby girls, like you have girls that you spoil. And so that's I posted on that, right, and then I've been doing that for years. You get hits, you see a couple girls, and then tonight, a message from whoever saying I'm in the taboo. And then again, it's not. You can look at my site. I'm not into any of those things. It's not anything that really, other than just like a. So yeah, he messaged me. He said, "You want to come, my daughter, right?" And I was like, "It's just super." Again, you don't get somebody saying, "Hey, you want to my daughter," right? First response would be like, "How'd you let the fuck up, dude? Just, like, what are you," right? Then you're like, "So what time?" So man, I was just curious what you got. But what do you, yeah. he reached out to me, asked if I wanted to have sex with his daughter. I was like, at first, there was no age, and then he said the age, he said 12. I was like, what the right?
And so you must have expressed interest, right? Because that's why you're here.
Oh yeah. We know, of course.
So you must have said yes. Would that be fair to say?
Well, yeah, I'm here, right? Yeah, so that's an obvious thing, right? I wasn't coerced to being here. I wasn't bribed to come here. After me, like, no, I don't want to come. Yeah, I was like, this makes no sense. I stayed in my car for a long time, and then, yeah, just,
Okay. So did you offer anything? Money?
No, I said, do I need to bring anything? He said, bring a toy.
Bring a toy?
Okay. All right, I'll bring a toy.
Did you already have this, or was this new?
Yeah, I had that. That's
Police said Stephen was one of 8 others nabbed in part of a month-long operation targeting child predators online, dubbed Operation Overwatch, and he didn't show up empty-handed. Stephen allegedly brought an adult toy to the meetup that next he tries to explain away.
What did you say that you wanted to do to his daughter?
I didn't say what I wanted to do. I just asked him what do you want done? What is your, like, that was my first thing, is like, what are you into this for? Like,
Okay, but it would be safe to say that you brought this for her?
For him. He asked to bring a toy.
Okay, but you aren't going to use this on him, right? That wasn't part of the arrangement?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's just very simple as that. You'll come have sex with my daughter. I don't know what is this about. Again, curiosity. And then yeah.
But we can both agree that you were here to have sex with his daughter, is that right?
No.
No? So what were you doing there?
Oh. I don't really know. Right? Like I already know me. I probably would have seen the situation and just been like, what the f*** sake for me, you guys. Enjoy your life. Right? Just to see that it's real and that it's happening and that it's there, right? And then that's kind of like when I'm looking, I'm like, yeah. Because that's it. Yeah. That's how I see it. Like I wasn't like, yeah, I want to come have with this girl. I was like, what the f is all this? Like, you wanted to see, is the girl happy? Is this what she wants? Is this what she, like, how is the situation even possible? You know, and then so you're asked to come to somebody's house, bring a toy, and I was like, oh fuck, all right, there's a toy, but it's like I said, yeah, that's just more inquisitive about like what the fuck is going through a mind like that. Sit down next to it, talk to it, look at, like, and then you have you have ultimate perspective in that way, right? Like, and it's I'm not justifying anything that I did at all. But my intention wasn't to come over here and have with a girl, a young girl. It was to see the situation.
Steven says he had no intention of carrying out plans made in the chat, but investigators aren't exactly buying his story.
So, you were concerned for her develop?
Yeah. Well, is that like is this what she wants? This was one of the questions. Does this make her happy? Like, is this what she is? How does this happen? Right? At one, it just happens because it's a made up story. You just believed it, right? And so this is just so.
Well, it does happen. But you thought, hey, I'll go to this strange man's house at 9 o'clock at night instead of calling the cops?
Yeah, right. That's.
Do you see why that line of reasoning doesn't track for me, right? So we were doing really good. You were being super honest with me, but I wanted to go check on her, so I went to a strange man's house alone at night instead of calling the police.
Yeah.
I can buy that.
I wasn't saying I was going to protect. I was going to see the situation. Right? It wasn't to protect anybody, deceive anybody, to save me. It was to come check out the situation, see what it's about. At a certain point, you could even, I was like, dude, why are you throwing yourself out there? You don't know what type of person I am. If you see abuse, you see abandonment, you see neglect, right? And yeah, that was definitely a thought in my mind, was just turn this in, but what if it's...
All right. So... Want some more?
No, sir. It's not get demoralizing.
Okay. All right, so there's nothing I can do about this hitting the papers, right? I have to push it out for a little while, but that's the best I can do. The press has rights to. So when you still let's hit the paper, am I going to have other people contacting me saying that something they made Steven may have made an inappropriate comment to me, touched me, something like that? No? 100%?
Next, detectives dig in for more information on Steven's line of work, where he says he spent at least a decade teaching physical education to students in grades kindergarten through 8th.
I can't. This is not something that I have. My most favorite part of the day is going to school and then greeting these kids, and then I've been at this school for 10 years, and I've been the heart of the school. And then now for me to mess that up, and for that to be spread, and for those kids to just hear this, right? For my daughter to hear this, absolutely devastating.
What is that like? So every day you're kind of just, you're going to school, you're teaching kids, that type of thing?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good, man. I'm a little, maybe you can help me understand, because, I don't have a master's degree, I can tell you that. But as far as, I'm from Albuquerque, I was educated in the APS school system. What does it mean, like, when you say, like, that you come here to observe? I don't want to, can you help me understand that? You said you came here to just take it in, and I just need some help understanding that.
It's not easy to explain, so it's not easy to my head, so it's not easy to express. So
maybe I can help clarify that question a little bit, if you don't mind. So, do you have any type of fetishes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Is it what are your fetishes?
Yeah, it's not nothing. I don't have extreme fetishes. So this fetish right here.
I never said you did. I'm just.
Well, I know this. So what I'm trying to have you do is visualize. It's just very kind of vanilla across the board. When basic fetish would be rough slaps, you know.
Gotcha. So
like
it's a pretty normal stuff then.
Very normal stuff. Yes. This outside of normal. Outside of normal. Outside of anything that I would even do. So it's like, what type of individual is doing that?
Doing what?
Soliciting out his daughter.
You know,
and actually, it doesn't matter. Like it's a very basic fetishes. I just want a baby girl to spoil, buy you some toys. Let's go out to eat. Let's go out to a dinner. Let's go to a show. And then have some good. Right? It's very simple. And then posting this baby girl thing, this guy comes with this taboo thing, which is again outside of anything that I do or what I talk about or what type of conversations I have on that site.
Now, investigators turn their focus towards Steven's alarming possession.
So, as far as toys, like what does that mean to you? What is that? We haven't opened the box, so I don't. What is that to you? Is it a vibrator? It looks like a vibrator to me, or just something else.
Gentlemen, it says on the box, and it says in the box. You can open up the box. You can look in the box. I don't know what you want me to explain. It's a toy that vibrates and has 10 different modes. It's water resistant, has a little flip and flap in there that'll go against, right? It's a toy with multiple functions. What else do you want me to explain about
No,
it?
I appreciate that. That helps clarify a lot. So were you going to use it on yourself?
No. The very last thing I said, hey,
please don't get frustrated because I haven't seen the chance. You know what I mean? So
I get this. I understand that. All right. But no, that was not. The dad said, "Hey, or whoever that was doesn't. Again, none of this matters. It's a nightmare."
Okay. So you're saying someone messaged you about it?
Yeah. So he's like, "Hey, what do you need me to bring? Bring a toy." It's like when you come to somebody's house, bring a gift. It's a gift. So what do you want? What do you want when I come over to your house?
Who is your gift for?
For him. Who asked for it? He asked for the gift.
Okay. Did he say what he was going to do with the gift?
No.
No? Okay. Have you ever, were you planning, having some type of sexual intercourse with this toy with the guy? With the dad?
No.
Okay. I'm just confused because, again, I'm just trying to understand this. So you're telling me that you brought the toy for a girl and it's to make her right? So
listen, I love all these leading questions, all right? And I love what we're trying to do here, and I get it. And all right, so it's right here. The spot for another girl in another situation. She left my house, left it. You want me to bring anything? Bring a toy. Right.
Steven was booked for charges relating to child sexual exploitation and prostitution.
This is rock bottom, Jim. You don't understand.
No, I'm
a year away from retiring, and then just for anybody to have so the story comes out, right? Then it's just going to be like, the whole, it's going to bring the school down, and that's what I witnessed, and that's what I want to feel, and all because
Can I just stop you real quick? Because none of us are going to go call the news right now and say, hey, guess what? I've never even heard of this school. I don't care that you're a teacher. I'm going to be honest with you. Steven, I don't care that you're a teacher. You think you're building this up in your own head?
No. Listen, I'm thinking of the worst of the worst.
You're bringing this up.
Right now, I'm handcuffed, thirsty as shit. My blood sugar is high.
Would you like some more water? Yeah, okay, we're going to get you some more water.
So, can I just put these forward?
Online records show the 51-year-old ultimately pleaded guilty to attempted human trafficking of a minor, while his remaining charge was dismissed. He was later released from jail and placed on probation.
It's embarrassing. I'm a teacher.
No one's gonna see you.
This is inappropriate. No, I'm seriously, like, you're like a junior cop, like, asking me to do this. Like, come on. I hope you guys are okay arresting the teachers of the Youth America.
Let's talk to your supervisor.
I will
need
once
to
we
get
get this done.
worked out.
Yep.
It is a cold January evening in Lake Forest, Illinois, where one suspected drunk driver is about to learn a valuable lesson.
Hello. Hi, Officer Cordova, Lake Forest Police Department. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm actually concerned you pulled me over because I'm doing this speed.
Okay. So the reason I stopped you, you almost went through that red light at Deer Path and Golf. And then while I was following you, your driver's side tires crossed over the solid yellow line in the middle there. That splits the lane. Can I have your driver's license and insurance, please?
Absolutely.
Is everything okay today?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm actually very concerned.
Why is that? Okay. Well, I'm not pulling you over for speed.
You have my license. I'm getting my insurance. Can you give me a minute?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Thank you.
I'm not rushing you. Where are you coming from today?
My son's basketball team.
Where is that at? That's where you're coming from? Okay. Have you been drinking today?
No.
Okay.
Please. Take the license. I'm not speeding. You know I'm not.
Well, I'm not stopping you for speed.
I get that. Like, there's no reason to be put me over.
Well, I told you the reason why I stopped you. Can I have it? Thank you. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was that?
You have my insurance.
Yeah. I am looking at it right now. Is everything okay?
Yes, you know that. You have my card. You have my insurance.
Well, why are you... I'm just looking at your insurance. Why are you yelling at me?
Because you are a police officer pulling me over to look into my face and tell me you're not, like, trying to get in my face. Like, you have my stuff. Thank you.
Police identify the suspect as 46-year-old Becky Miranda, a second-grade teacher who may have miscalculated how many drinks she could have before driving. Moments later, another officer arrives when we get a better look at the suspect.
I'm not going to do this on this road.
Okay, so
This
you will
is
submit to
inappropriate.
standardized to some testing if we move to the next road.
Absolutely.
Okay,
I'm not doing this on this road. This
I'll
is
work with you, Becky.
inappropriate.
Listen to me. I'll work with you, but we can't let you drive your car to that road then. Or would you prefer we could do this at the station? That way no one sees.
No, seriously, please. This is inappropriate. You shouldn't have pulled me over. I was driving the speed limit.
Okay, Becky,
like this is inappropriate.
I don't know how many times I have to repeat myself. You weren't pulled over for speeding. You were pulled over for a lane violation, where you went over the double solid yellow lines. Okay, almost going into oncoming traffic. That's why this officer pulled you over.
Becky, can you do me a favor and step out so we can do this out here?
No,
So we have the lane blocked off.
The sooner we get this done,
on this road.
It's on the side of the road. You're not going to get hit. Is there a reason why you don't want to do it here?
Yes, it's embarrassing. I'm a teacher.
No one's going to see you.
Becky,
no one's watching.
Am I going into your car?
No, you're going to step out here.
My car is going to block the view of you even doing.
Tell me what you want me to do.
Well, I would like for you to step out the car. We're going to be behind your car. I have my car blocking our view. No one can see. No one's going to be able to see. and I want to check your eyes and just put you through 2 other fields after that.
I can't do this. I'm a teacher in the community. Can you put me someplace else?
Becky.
I can't do this.
Okay, would you like to come to the station then?
No, I'm not going to the station.
All right, so this is your only option is to do this here. So please step out of the car so you can do this.
Becky eventually agrees to take some field sobriety tests. Let's see how that goes.
All right, I'll have you step. Where are you going? I'll have you step right here. Step right here.
I am
Facing me.
I'm a teacher in the
I understand that.
You can't
But listen,
do this to me.
I see you have glossy eyes.
No, I'm not.
Okay, Becky, listen, the
let's
sooner
go.
we put you through these
Can you
fields,
stand
the
right here
sooner we can
and
move
face me?
forward, okay?
You can just face me. Look, it's away from the traffic, okay? No one can see you, okay? All right, so be honest with me, how many drinks did you have tonight?
No, like one.
One? What is it, like martini? Is it a beer?
One wine.
Glass of wine? Okay. Well, thanks for being honest with me, okay?
Becky admits to having, quote, one wine, but for her students' sake, let's hope she's not a math teacher.
Okay. Yeah, we'll step on this line here. You can step to your right.
This is embarrassing.
No one's
I'll
gonna
go
see
here.
you. Can you please step on that line, please? Thank you. Okay. Now I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna demonstrate for you.
Okay, then I'm gonna
But you can stay in the position. Stay in the position until I tell you to begin.
Stay in the position?
Please.
Okay.
Yes. So you're gonna put your right foot in front of your left foot. You can put your right foot. You can put your right
Are we
foot.
going?
No, you can put your right foot in front of your left foot. All right, you can stay in that position until I tell you to begin. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So when I tell you to begin, it's gonna look like this. All right.
Got it.
1, 2, 3. You can turn around. You do small series of steps. You can count 9 heel toe steps back. 1, 2, 3.
3 or 9.
I'm counting to 3. You're gonna count to 9.
Okay, 1.
Hold on. All right. As you're walking, keep your. You can get back into position, please.
Yep.
As you're walking, keep your arms down at your sides at all times. Watch your feet and count your steps
Okay.
out loud.
1.
Once you start walking, I didn't tell you to begin. Once you start walking, don't stop until you complete the test.
1.
Do you understand?
So I'm doing 9 forward and 9 back.
Yes.
1.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay. You can get back in position and start.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Yeah, so turn around and do 9 steps back.
9, I'm going to do 10. 10.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. You keep going until I tell you to stop.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay?
Yep.
1,016, 1,017,
Oh, you can stop.
1,018,
You can stop.
1,019.
All right. So now that I asked if you want to provide a breath sample with our PVT, are you willing to provide a breath sample?
No, I'm not.
No?
I passed your test.
Okay. Is that a no? You don't want to do it at all?
No.
Okay. All right. We'll go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
No. I'll finish.
You will? Okay.
Seriously, guys, come on! I'm a teacher in the area. I passed your test. Give me a break. Okay. Like, come on! Do you really want to be like this?
Okay, so you're gonna blow in it like you're blowing up an air balloon, okay? Take a big deep breath and you're gonna blow into it.
Okay, ready? Big deep breath and keep blowing until I tell you to stop, okay?
What was that?
I clicked the button on accident. Turn this back on. I turned it off.
I passed your test, like, please.
Go ahead.
Ready?
Please.
I understand. Can you please use it?
No, I'm seriously, like, you're like a junior cop, like, asking me to do this. Like, come on.
Becky, take a deep breath in. Becky. Becky, we're almost done, okay? Take
No!
You want to do it?
You said you were going to do it, so did you change your mind? I just need you to do one big blow.
No, they're taking me to the station if I say no.
No, we're not. That's not true. You can say no.
That doesn't dictate it.
Then I'm saying no. I said that to them. I said no.
You're going to be under arrest.
Okay.
They're arresting me if I say
We're
no.
not.
That's not.
That's not.
That doesn't dictate if you're going to be under arrest or not. It's just completely optional if you want to do this or not.
Is that what you said?
What?
Did you say that? No.
No, I didn't say that.
See? Oh, well, that's what she said.
No, I told you.
Our investigation.
asking a question.
Can you please back up? Listen, Becky.
I'm not. Like,
Let me talk to you for a second. Becky.
Like, seriously, can I just go home?
Listen, Becky. This is
I
optional.
passed your test.
You showed signs of
No, I
consumption
didn't.
and
You
impairment
weren't
of
even
alcohol.
you weren't even here.
I was watching from a distance.
No.
I did. You don't have to do it. Let
I
me tell
said
you.
no.
Okay.
You showed multiple clues that
All right,
you're
put it away.
intoxicated and under the.
We're not doing this.
All right,
Well,
put your hands
we are
behind your
doing
back.
this. You're under arrest.
You're under arrest. Hey, put your hands behind your back.
They're
Becky.
arresting me if I don't do this.
That doesn't dictate
that's
it.
not why we're.
I got it.
No, then no. No.
No.
Do not resist
hands
being
on your back.
arrested, okay?
Okay. I will blow. I'm not doing this.
Okay, we'll give you another chance at the station. Okay, great.
Here, can you face that way, please?
You'll have another chance at the
I
station,
can't
okay?
do this. They're arresting me. I can't have this on my record. I'm a teacher. Like, give me a.
So you'll have another chance to blow.
Can you separate your hands, please?
Can
We need to
you
put the
please?
cuffs on perfectly.
No.
Thank you.
I said yes, and they're still doing this. Can you please tell them?
3 or 4, 1 in custody.
Can you please just work with us? Like,
We've been working with you.
No.
You're going back to the station. It's been decided.
Can you please help me?
You got it?
Yeah. Try it. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Both of them?
Yep. It's okay. You could got really small wrists. So.
Police add a pair of handcuffs and lead the suspect to a patrol car.
So let's get Ernie's coming. Yeah. Go. Central from through. Just.
I need you to search as well. Let's go left my car. To left my car. This way.
No, can you please stop?
I'm gonna come to the station with you, okay?
You can talk to him when we go back to the station. Okay?
This is inappropriate.
What's inappropriate?
What do I do in the car?
I do it here. Can you step one to the right?
to the left.
To the right, please. So give me in front of the camera.
Give me a break. Are you serious?
What do you mean?
Can you bring me to the left to your car? I don't need
We
to be
will
on your
after
camera.
you get searched.
Okay, love.
Oh my God.
Can't do anything about it right now, okay? Just don't resist arrest. Let's just go and we'll figure it out.
Yeah, this is inappropriate.
There's nothing we can do about it now. Let's just go to the station, okay?
What do you have in the car that you need? You have your purse in the car. Is your purse in the car?
Yes.
Okay. She's good.
Good?
Yeah, I'll do another.
Yes, seriously.
Doesn't have anything on it.
Okay. I will go look to my car.
Or, like you said, if you need anything at home, you gotta take your kids are at home. I gotta go.
Do not tell our children.
Well, you have
You got a taxi, please?
Okay, so you have to come to the station. Yeah, right by Deer Path.
Becky?
You know where it is? Okay, yeah.
What about my purse?
What?
We'll get it
Get
for
my
you.
purse from my car.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll get it for you.
Can I get the purse? Well, we'll get it and we'll hand it to you. Thank you. Anything else in the car?
You need anything else from the car?
No.
Okay.
Keep the purse. Yeah, I'm good here. Go ahead.
Next, Becky is taken to the police station where she gets a feel for what detention is like. Let's see how she handles that.
So we're going to give you 20 minutes to think about that, okay?
So what happens for if you submit and let's just work with each other, okay? Like, do I have to go to school? Do I have to go to court?
So yeah, you'll have to go to court.
Bills? Like, what do we?
You'll have to go to court. As far as like,
are we getting written up in the newspaper?
No, you're not going to be. You're not going to be in the blotter. So I wouldn't worry about that. You're going to be released tonight. You're going to have to go to court. Listen, you're getting charged today. Whether you get convicted at court, that's a whole nother story. That's really up to the judge. You'll have to talk to your attorney about all of this and see what the judge decides at court, okay? So, do you want to sign this? You'll get a copy of it. It's like a receipt. By signing, you're not admitting to any guilt.
What am I signing for?
Basically, you're just
appropriate.
By you signing.
I'm literally going home to my house after my son's basketball game. Like, come on. Like, seriously, people, there are so many criminals doing so many bad things. I'm a teacher.
I understand.
I'm doing nothing besides going to my son's basketball game, and you guys are literally arresting me. Like, come on. Like, do you guys literally think this is what you guys want to do in your lives? Like, arrest moms who are going to their kids' games, having fun with their friends, and come on, this is so inappropriate.
Becky, by you signing this, it's just acknowledging that Officer Cordova read this to you, and then you can get your copy. Okay?
I know. Cordova has no clue what he's doing.
He doesn't know.
Like a 22-year-old doesn't even know what he's doing. This is so inappropriate.
Okay, well, you don't have to sign now. We can
That's
take
fine.
a 20-minute observation. I'll get the paperwork for you. Just make sure you write down whatever time you're starting.
I hope you guys are okay arresting the teachers of the Youth America that I have to go into my classroom tomorrow and teach kids. Hope you're good with that.
Next, the tables turn on the teacher when she doesn't exactly ace those field sobriety tests.
Seriously, people, are we seriously, arresting the moms of Lake Forest?
Yeah, it doesn't matter who you are. Drinking and driving is unacceptable.
Really? Do you guys really think I'm drinking and driving? You guys gave me the test, and I passed your test, and you guys know it. I passed your test. I did my toe to heel.
304.
I did my eye test. That test was worse than my eye apple test that I had last week. You guys know it. I passed your test. So, you really, after your test, do you really think that I should be here? Yes. Why?
I told you, do the test.
You tell me what I didn't pass in your test.
It's not a pass or fail.
It's not a pass or fail.
It's you showed signs of impairment.
Except I passed your test.
You don't pass or
and
fail.
You said I could have driven home after I passed your test. So
if you were okay to do so.
Well,
once we
so
determine,
what didn't I pass?
Once you determine if you're good to drive or not, if you're good to drive, then we'll let you drive. But if you're not, then you're not going to drive.
I passed your heel toe. I passed your eye test.
That's not a pass or fail.
Okay, so what you're saying is you gave me the test and it's you failed.
I told you it's not a pass or fail. It
Right,
shows signs of
because-
impairment or not.
No, so what did I show in signs of impairment?
In your eyes?
Okay, so
On
why
the
did
walk
you
and
give me
turn?
the test?
What?
Why'd you give me the test?
If you're good to drive or not.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that I feel like I passed your test, so what did I do to fail your test?
I just told you showed signs of impairment
Yeah,
with your
so you're
eyes,
not
walk
gonna
and
tell me.
turn.
You're not going to tell me what I did to fail your test.
You know it's not a pass or fail.
Yeah, right. So you're just saying, we're giving you the test and saying you failed.
Becky, do you think you want to blow or not? Because I'm not going to continue asking you because we want to get through our paperwork and get you out of here. So the sooner you make a decision, like I said before, if you do blow and it's triple zeros, I think You've been drinking.
No one's gonna blow triple
you're-
zeros. Give me a break.
People who are sober do. So if you
Give me
were
a
to
break.
blow,
Come on.
Okay.
The officers continue trying to reason with Becky when she finally decides to answer the question.
Okay, let's go. Let's blow.
Okay. Then we're gonna take you to Lake Bluff so you
Oh.
can. I know, but listen. That's why
Right in the cop car with arrest. Get the cuffs on. Okay. Okay.
Let's get another 20 up there.
Yeah.
Where are we at here? No lawyer. I can't bring my lawyer in to be like, we're not.
Well, it's completely up to you.
It's up
Do you
to
want to do it
We're
or
not
not?
forcing you. Listen, I don't want to waste my time or your time driving you there, and then you're like, oh, I don't want to blow anymore. So make your decision now.
I'm not giving you a suspended license for a year.
Okay, then
give me a break. No one's doing that.
So then what are you saying you want to do?
Well, I guess I have to go to Lake Bluff.
If you want to do, okay.
No, I don't want to go to Lake Bluff.
Okay.
Okay, can I call my husband? Can I figure out what's going on? Where's my car on the side of the road?
You want to give your husband a call right now?
Can I please not have my car on the side of the road? Can I
so
please?
your car was towed.
Oh my God! Where's my car?
It's towed by Ernie's, so it's in. Okay.
Well, leave that off. You can't put it on.
You can't put that stuff on. Just leave it all there.
So when am I coming back for this?
Right after you blow, we're taking you back here.
So wait, when am I getting my car?
You're gonna have to get your car tomorrow.
So
I
just
hope
to, just
you
to
guys
confirm.
are good. Like, I'm a f***ing second grade teacher. Like, are you guys f***ing
Okay,
serious?
so just to confirm.
I'm going to, like, Uber to my job, getting dropped off. Like, this is insane. This is f***ing insane.
Okay, so just to confirm, you want to blow and go to Lake Bluff?
Well, what am I going to do? Have a suspended license for a f***ing year?
You can say yes or no.
Come on, guys. Do I need to call my lawyer now? Are you guys being real with me?
We're being real with you. The option's yours. You're more than welcome to make a phone call right now.
And then what? Have a suspended license for a year.
And then if you want to go to Lake Bluff to go blow.
Officers take Becky to the other police station, where the teacher prepares to take another test.
As I sit in the police station, I'm such a great role model for my daughter.
Your DD. When
She gave me my DD. It's great. Totally. Yeah,
she'll be driving.
Hire the Uber.
She'll be driving you around now.
Yeah. So great.
Soon enough, officers are ready for the breathalyzer exam, but not before Becky decides to deliver police a pop quiz.
Okay. So what's happening here? If I blow under, whatever. If I blow over, what's happening?
If you blow under, we'll notate that, and then for your license, it'll be suspended for 6 months.
If I blow under?
No, I mean if you're just blowing, sorry. If you're just blowing. If you blow under, it's still 6 months.
Why? If I blow under, that's
because
like
it just still shows
inappropriate.
Consumed
Well, then you still got to
alcohol.
go to court for that. They'll know.
So, okay, so then maybe they can say, like, whatever.
Yeah.
If you blow under,
say whatever they
like,
want, but
you're in the clear. I mean, like, come on, like, you're allowed to, like, have a drink and drive home.
Okay, I understand. So, do you want to step up?
Okay, so, no, let's go through that. Like, I'm not dumb here. This is not my first rodeo.
We brought you here because you said you were going to.
I will.
Okay.
I'm saying if I blow under, what's up? If I blow over, what's up? Like, give me the
It's
deal.
still the same. You're still going to get the same charge.
Okay, so if I blow under, you still get the charge, but maybe you go to the judge and they say, oh,
Yes,
you blew
they
under.
will know, yes.
If you blow over, you're going to the judge and then they do whatever they're going to do.
Up to the judge, yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay, so take a deep breath. I have to hold it. You can't hold it. Okay. Take a deep breath in.
Where is it going to register?
It'll show up on there. Okay, so what you have to do is take a deep breath in, blow out into the tube, okay? Do not stop until I tell you to, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're doing great. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Let's see.
I don't see anyone usually get out of their first try.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, because they're all drunk. Where is it?
It's taking its time.
It
It's
takes like
evaluating
30
stuff.
seconds.
Right.
and we'll give you your receipt too, okay? Okay, so you're 0.14. 0.141, so that's over. That's almost double the legal limit, okay? And sometimes.
You heard that right. The officer said Becky allegedly blew a .14, nearly twice the legal limit to drive. Police take Becky back to the other police station, where picture day has come early for the elementary teacher.
2 pictures. Do me a favor, stand right here, right in front of the bench. With the pictures. They go into our system, okay?
Okay,
It's
so
your
we
mugshot.
can have record of that.
So police department.
Okay, so what about
the
jobs?
Jobs will not see your mugshot. I don't think.
I mean, this is very important, guys. Like, you're arrested. Like, seriously.
Well, we still have to take pictures of you.
We have.
So what? I'm just saying, like.
You can't leave until we do
Please
this.
remember, like, this is. Like,
okay.
Really?
The faster we do this.
I know, but I need to know the repercussions. Like, I can't have people looking this up. I can't have people searching for me and finding this information.
Well, people can search up anything.
They don't need to be searching up
It's not going
mugshots.
to be in the water in the Lake Forest.
No, I'm talking about my school district. Can they look this up? This is very important. I don't need to be fired because I went out and
I
had
don't
some
know if
wine
they can look. I don't
for
think
like a
they can
basketball tournament. Like, let's be real, people. Do you want to lose your job? You never go out and have drink with
If
drink
we
with
were
your friends?
drinking, I'm telling you right now, if any one of us got arrested for DUI, we'd probably get fired.
Okay, well,
So
you have chosen the profession of being police officers.
and we're police officers, so you bet if I got arrested by another agency, let's say by Libertyville, they would call my PD and tell them what happened.
Well, they might, or they might not.
No, they will.
Because you don't like the
They
bro
will.
code.
They will.
I'm just saying,
So Becky,
I cannot have people looking this up.
Becky, let's take your photograph.
Well, that's
No,
on.
I'm
That's,
not doing a
that's on.
photograph.
Well,
You
then
have
can't
to.
leave until-
Yeah.
You're not
I'm just
leaving.
saying, you're not being honest with me. Who's looking this up? So like
No,
my
who's
school
looking this
district
up?
looks this up tomorrow, like my mugshot somewhere? Like, come
We're
on.
not even going to notify your school district.
Well, what if they look it up?
Anybody can look up anything. Anybody can FOIA anything.
Why would they have a reason to just Google you?
I don't know. Anybody can like Google you or FOIA you or do whatever you want. I mean, like, come on, people.
Yeah, but why would they get that idea in their head? They have no idea what's going on right now. So unless you tell them,
No,
I'm
no,
not
I
gonna
know.
tell them.
I'm just saying, like, this is crazy. Like,
Well, the sooner
I
you
hope that
cooperate,
you
the sooner
guys-
you get to leave.
let me ask you a question.
What's up?
I hope that you guys go home tonight and can rest your head on the pillow feeling that you did the right thing.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of times when I go home from my students feeling like, and I rest my head on the pillow for this. And I don't think you can.
I can tell you right now, I'm going to sleep just fine knowing
No.
that I prevented a DUI driver.
You didn't! I was 1 minute from my house! You are at a-hole status right now. Seriously, you know that. I was 1 minute from my house. I'm sorry. I really don't think I crossed the line. I passed all your tests. You're bringing me in. Like, come on. Right. Write it down. Now I'm going to get like, you didn't accommodate. Let's go. I would like to go home.
Okay.
You want me to do that or no?
Hang on, let's do a photo. Okay, look up at the camera. Up. Please look up at the camera.
Next, it's reading time for Becky when the officer recites her Miranda rights.
All right, I'm going to ask you some questions, but I'm going to read you your Miranda rights first, okay?
Yeah, great. I know the Miranda rights. My last name's Miranda.
Okay.
Awesome.
I'm great.
All right, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have one present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand?
So why are we doing this now? You already cuffed me on the road.
I'd like to ask you
So
further
why are we
questions.
doing this post?
I'd like to ask you questions.
About what? What are we asking questions about? Aren't we done?
No, I'd like to ask you further questions. Do you understand your rights?
I guess. I don't understand why
Can
we're...
you sign saying that you understand that I read you your rights?
Shouldn't you have read me my rights on the road when you cuffed me?
You were under arrest.
Right, so why didn't you read me the Miranda rights on the road? Why you read me
Before I cuffed you?
now?
Before I cuffed you?
Yeah,
Because you were under arrest. You were under arrest before that.
So why are we doing this now?
Because you are under arrest and I want to ask you questions.
Why?
Because I would like to ask you questions.
But why am I under arrest at this point? I don't understand.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Why am I under arrest now after I've already been cuffed 2 times, taken to Lake Bluff, and now I'm back?
Yeah, you've been. Once I put handcuffs on you on the road, that's when you were placed under arrest.
Police go over some basic questions before giving Becky some follow-up instructions that she appears to have a hard time comprehending.
Okay, I have to have my car, so should my husband bring $500 right now?
Well, you're not going to get you can't get your car for another 12 hours.
Yeah.
I get that, but in 12 hours I will have my car.
Well,
So why can't I pay
he has to come
$500?
tomorrow morning when records is
He has
here.
to come tomorrow morning.
Why can't he come? Why can't we pay the
Because
$500
records
now?
not here. They work tomorrow morning. So with that being said, I need you to sign.
I have to have my car
Okay, I understand.
by tomorrow. I mean, please,
You
people.
can get it tomorrow.
I have children. I have commitments. This is ridiculous.
I understand that.
So what am I signing now?
This is for your vehicles being impounded.
Okay, but I have to have my car
You can get it
by
tomorrow. Yes, you can get it tomorrow.
But my husband's going out of town, so how am I going to come here and pay the $500 before I go to work, and then what?
All right.
And then you get.
We'll ask our supervisor if your husband can pay the $500 tonight, but you still can't get your car until 12
That's
hours
fine.
have passed.
I can get my car tomorrow after I go to work because I'm teaching the youth of America. Thank God I'm getting arrested tonight. This is so wonderful. And then where I want a specific address as to where my car is.
Yeah, we will give you a business card.
Yeah. So yeah, you'll get everything. This is where your car's going to be. We'll get it with all your paperwork. Okay.
So I need you to sign saying you understand that your vehicle is being impounded. And we'll give you a paper that.
Okay, so what does that mean? They have my car?
So they have your
They're
car.
not doing anything with my car?
No. So you have to come here, pay the fine, and then we contact Ernie saying we can release the car to you. You go over there and pick up the car.
Okay, so if we pay the fine tonight, how are we paying that?
I don't know. we have to
Cash,
talk to my
credit card,
supervisor.
whatever? Let's talk to your supervisor.
I will
need
once
to
we get this done.
worked out.
Yep.
Becky is booked for DUI and improper lane usage before she's escorted out of the police station.
So where am I going to pay this
To your
tomorrow?
left. I'll show you.
Because I don't want any problems.
I don't feel comfortable talking about my attorney present.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. I don't have a phone. It got destroyed, actually. I lost it today and got run over. My husband's here with my kids.
Okay.
It's just before midnight in Ocean County, New Jersey, where, get this, police are about to confront a special education teacher accused of having an inappropriate relationship with one of her students.
Good evening.
Yes.
Detective Hernandez, Freehold Borough Police Department. Is Allison home? Yes. May I speak with her, please? Now we'll talk to her out here. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey, Michelle. How you doing? Hi. Detective Hernandez, Freehold Borough Police Department. Detective Correa, Detective Hobbs. You know why we're here? No? Any idea? You want to move away from the house to
I don't
speak
feel
to?
comfortable talking about my attorney present.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
We have a warrant for your arrest, so we're gonna take you in. Is there anything on you that you want to leave with your family?
No, my glasses come with me. Do I have medication that I need to bring with me?
If you take medication, I will highly suggest for you to have someone get it for you. Okay, just give me a second.
Police identify the woman seen here as 43-year-old Allison Havman Needrach, a teacher at an intermediate school in nearby Freehold Township. Listen closely to her answer as detectives ask if she wants to bring her phone.
I don't have a phone. It got destroyed, actually. I lost it today and got run over.
Okay. Just have them bring the medicine.
Okay.
Here, I gotta put you on their cuff, so.
Okay.
All right?
Joints are very fragile.
I'm not gonna hurt you in any shape or form. This is gonna go on gently. Right? Still good?
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
Give me a second.
My husband's here with my kids.
Okay. Thank you. And I see your parents there.
Yeah, my parents are here. They're fine. My kids are safe.
All right. Do me a favor. Go like this.
I do have a lot of medical issues. I'm sorry.
Okay. No problem.
Medication?
All right. Let's, we'll have them get it.
Yeah.
My husband can get it.
Yeah.
Can you let her know?
Can you get my antibiotics and my...
According to the Monmouth County prosecutor, the alleged sexual relationship began earlier this year. Prosecutors didn't reveal the age of the alleged victim, but the school where Allison was employed has students in grades 6th through 8th. Other reports indicate Allison had sent thousands of text messages to the alleged victim with her now, quote, destroyed phone.
Sorry, my mom had strokes recently.
Okay. No problem.
I'm my parents' caretaker.
Okay.
Where is she going now?
She's gonna come back to the Freehold Borough Police.
She's going to her police station in Freehold. Yes. Do you know their numbers?
Our parents?
Yeah.
Everything? Yeah.
Okay.
And they have my attorney's number now.
Okay.
Should I
Yeah.
keep that with me as well, or?
If you don't know
I
by
don't know
heart,
it. I don't know my attorney's phone number.
yeah, I would highly recommend for you to get it because that way you
I
have
have a
that piece of paper.
We'll get it.
Yeah.
Where's it at? Where's the paper?
It's, if you want my husband to get it, he knows where it is.
Yeah. Just tell him what to get. Go ahead, sir. No, you can come out.
Could we combine one of them?
Allison and her husband worked to get her medication squared away before the 43-year-old is hauled off to jail.
So
I lied. You can't combine those.
Okay.
Sorry. And then,
How much this out? Okay.
I need the red paper that's taped to the cabinet that has my attorney's name and Pastor name, please. Do you have? I take every day for my heart. Do you want
We
that
can
as
throw
well?
that in one of them, right?
No, I don't,
That's-
I don't want to combine meds.
So
separate container.
Yeah.
Can you get the baby aspirin as well? Thank you. She just wants to.
we're gonna talk to the attorneys and stuff like that, and the Monmouth County prosecutors, and see what happens. We don't make the
next step
decision.
is.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
So about how long would she stay in Freehold?
Excuse me, ma'am.
She's gonna.
About how long?
We don't know. It's because of bail reform, we don't make that decision
Definitely
anymore.
overnight.
Excuse me?
Definitely overnight.
Yeah.
Allison, where is the red paper?
Look at the cabinet where you just got the meds. There's 2 white pieces of paper with red crayon writing. Look straight ahead. Taped.
Al?
Nope.
Get my oxygen, please.
Not that. I know.
You okay?
No.
Are you
no,
okay?
She's on full-time
Well,
oxygen.
I was in bed. I'm on oxygen all night long.
Okay. Okay. Are you little? Do you need
Yeah.
medical attention?
No.
No,
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this it?
Yes, that's right. That's my pastor. And my
Okay. Is there anything else that you want to take? Okay. And you know the numbers if you
My
need to
parents
call them?
and my husband, yes.
Okay. Excellent. All right. So we're going to get going, okay? Like I said, we're going to process her. We don't make the decision because of bail reform. We only
You want to call her?
text the Hernandez batch 101, and you guys can,
She's going to Freehold. Wait a minute. What?
I didn't need to write down his number. I know his number.
Thank you. So
Alright,
she's.
she'll call you later, okay?
yeah, we'll let her make a call or two before.
One officer stays behind to talk to Allison's parents, while another escorts the suspect to a patrol car.
Come this way, man.
Okay.
Oh, you know we don't have.
Oh, we need. Okay, sorry.
I got. Yeah, I'll stay with her here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you for not scaring my children.
They home?
They're in the, well, they're in the basement. They're trying to go to sleep.
Okay.
I just put them to bed there. We just got back from dinner.
I'm just glad you weren't in bed sleeping.
Yeah.
You know?
Thank God.
How many children do you have?
Just
Two.
Did you catch that? Allison reveals she has 2 children herself and thanked the officer for not, quote, scaring them. Let's take another listen.
Thank you for not scaring my children.
They home?
They're in the, well, they're in the basement. They're trying to go to sleep.
Okay.
I just put them to bed there. We just got back from dinner.
I'm just glad you weren't in bed sleeping.
Yeah.
You know?
Thank God.
How many children do you have?
Just
2.
sharp on you or anything like that? Because I'm going to pass you down.
No, just my glasses in my pocket.
Okay, do you mind if I just go into your pocket?
No, you're fine.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay. This side.
You're on the other side. This
Okay. Yep. I don't know if you can see. It's good.
Oh, I can't see.
Yeah.
Let's see, they're back here.
This one?
Thank you, sir.
Hands underneath like this?
No, it doesn't matter. As long as you're comfortable. If you want to put them on top of this one.
On top like that?
You good?
Where is the... I can't see anything. Does it connect to one of these?
Is there anything in the middle?
No, it's like the straps that come. Can I have that for a second?
Sure.
I'm sorry, man. Can you just scoot up? I don't see anything. Yeah.
Can you go all the way across?
Yeah, wherever you
No,
need
no,
to
no,
go.
not you.
Oh.
No? No, that's not going to
Want
work.
me to move the other side?
Sure.
No, because then we're going to need something in the middle.
Does it go into that at all? Here, give me that. Give me that blue one.
You guys got it?
Yeah, we're going to figure it out. Here, watch your glasses there. Give me that blue one. There's a spot right here.
Just watch your arm.
Good.
There you go.
You okay?
Is that all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just
Okay.
I try not to get things on my scar. Just
Yeah. Yeah, you got your hands in front. Do you want to just maybe hold it down like that? Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Once at the jail, Allison remains tight-lipped.
Make sure the seatbelt.
Yep. You good? Alright. Just step out, please. It's a little tight because the door won't go any further, but just come this way. Thank you. And that way. Straight forward. And to that right, and that door. Let me get the warrant. Huh? Oh, they have it. What's that? They have it. They pack. Just we're gonna stay on. Okay.
Allison is facing charges of first-degree aggravated sexual assault and second-degree endangering the welfare of a child. The 43-year-old has since reportedly been released from jail and is under house arrest with strict no-contact orders with minors outside of her home. At last check, Allison remains awaiting trial for the charges.